Hello everyone, my champions. Good morning to all my ICSE champions. So I hope you all are fit and fine and you all are doing great job in your lives. And yes, tomorrow is your mathematics exam, and that is the reason why I have come up with very important final and quick revision for you all for your maths, my dear. And this session will assure you to give you sure shot of 40-45 marks in your exam, my dear, if you are going to stay in this live class till the end. This is the condition. So join fast, come on my dear. So we are just about to start this live session. Very important, very powerful live session for you all. So join fast. Everything is fixed. Come on, let me know my dear. Am I audible to you all? Am I visible to you all? Let me know you all are there. You have joined the session successfully. A very important game-changing session for you all. For your maths. Yes, hi everyone. Am I audible to you all? Am I audible to you all? Hi Shashank, good morning sir. Hi, thank you, good morning champ. Very good, very good. Hi everyone. Yes sir, very good. Yeah, Ankit Yadav tomorrow sir. Yeah buddy, I know your exam is tomorrow, your maths, your final battle of maths, and that is the reason why I have come with very important session for you all for your final quick revision, so that you can assure your revision in mathematics. You guys can make sure to score good marks in your maths. So that is the reason why I brought here some important questions in this session. So I hope you all are going to enjoy this session. Superb. Very good. And yes my dear, these questions, look at the question, the level of question, they all are most expected questions, powerful question. And yes, these questions already appeared in ICSE board exams so many times. So I have brought up some quality questions, and these questions will assure your final revision before sitting in examination hall. And yes my dear, kindly make sure to practice these questions before sitting in examination hall tomorrow. And yes, the best part of this live session is I have already provided the PDF of these questions, my dear. PDF sheet you can download. Go in description. The link is given there. You just need to hit the link, and after hitting the link, you guys can download the PDF of these questions. Okay, no need to worry about the questions and exam. Just chill and yes, believe in yourself. Go and download this PDF sheet, these questions, and practice by your own, my dear. Practice by your own honesty, my dear. Yes. The PDF is given in this description. You just need to go in description, hit the link, and you can directly go to the page of download page, my dear, and from there you can get the PDF of these questions, my dear. PDF link is given in the description. Okay, so let's begin this session. Hi Hemant. Hi, hello sir. Geometry is difficult. Nothing is difficult, buddy. Nothing is difficult. Yes. So link in description, PDF is given there. PDF is linked in the given link over there in description. You just need to put your bit detail, your contact number and everything. You can get the direct download page of PDF and go download these questions before you sit in your examination hall tomorrow, my dear. These are very important questions. Hello sir. Hi Nandita. I hope you all are doing great and you all are well prepared. And if you are not well prepared, if you are still thinking I'm not well prepared in mathematics, still I'm having so much of problem and difficulties, so my dear, this live class is going to be game changing for you. Just I want to tell you this one thing. So the condition is that you have to stay in this live class till the end. Okay, so let's start the class, my dear. So end game series for you all. So moving to question number 1. Moving to question number 1. Yes, look at the question. If 1701 is the nth term of the geometric progression, then find this and this. Such question comes in ICSE. From geometric progression, the question will not be very difficult and very challenging for you all. The question will not be like, oh my god level. No. The question will directly based on formula. If you know the formula, you can solve the question. So look at the question. A geometric progression is given there. Okay, look at the question. So, geometric progression is given to 1701 is the nth term. So, we don't know the term. So, that is nth term. So, we can write Tn. So, basically Tn is given to you 1701. Right? The nth term of the geometric progression, look at the geometric progression, my dear. The geometric progression is 7, 21, 63 and so on. If geometric progression is like this, so what will be the common ratio? The common ratio will be by dividing this value, succeeding value from preceding value. So 21 divided by 7, that will be equal to 3. So common ratio is equal to 3. Now this is nth term. We don't know the term. So we have a formula. Nth term can be written as this. I hope you remember the formula. I have already told you, if you know the formula, you can solve the question. If you don't know the formula, you cannot even think about the solution. Just AP, GP, HP, everything based on formula. Yes, my dear. So this is the formula for nth term. Now, can you see nth term? A. First term is 7. So we can put here 7. R is what, my dear? 3. So 3 to power n minus 1, which is equal to 1701. Right? Now, 3 to power n minus 1, 7 will go there. 1701 divided by 7. Can we divide 1701 by 7? So if we divide 1701 by 7, so 7 to the 14, 30, 7 4 ja 28, 2 and 1 is there, so 7 3 ja. Yes, my dear, fully cancelled. So 243 we are getting here. Now 3 to power n is equal to 243. My dear, if you take the prime factor of 243, so 243 will be equal to 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 81, 81 into 3 will be 243. So 3 to power 5 is basically equal to 243. Why I am writing in this form? Because at left hand side 3 is also base. So I want to make 243 in the form of, so that the base should be 3 and the power, whatever the power will be there, we can check that. So you can see, my dear, the base has become equal to each other. So the power must be equal to each other. N minus 1 equals to 5. So n will be equal to 6. So the first question is solved. First question, the value of n, so the value of n is basically equal to 6. I hope this is clear to all. Yes, everyone, tell me, is it clear to all, everyone? So this question is directly based on formula. The nth term of GP, which is equal to, nth term of GP is equal to A R to power n minus 1. I hope this is clear to all. Hi Vivek, hello. Yes, is it clear to all, everyone? Tell me, is it clear to all, everyone? So in first question, we have to find out the nth term of the GP. So the nth term will be 6. Yes. Is it clear to all? Now moving to, this was the first question, right? This was the first question, this part. Now moving to second question, B part. So this was the A, okay? Now B part. Hence, find the sum of the n terms of the AP. Again, my question will be, do you know the formula? To find out the sum of terms in terms of GP, you know the formula. If you know the formula, then only you can solve the. Now look, R here, R is 3. Can you see, my dear? R is 3. It means R is greater than 1. And if R is greater than 1, so to find out the sum of n terms of GP, we always use this formula. A R to power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. If you know this formula, then only you can solve the question. Otherwise, nothing is there for you. Yes. Is it clear to all? So by using this formula, A into, why I am taking this formula? The sum of GP is also having another format. Look, this formula is also used in sum of GP. A equals to 1 minus R to power n divided by 1 minus R. This formula is also used in GPA. But here the R is greater than 1. So if R is greater than 1, always take this format. And if R is less than 1, like R is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. So make sure to use this formula. So it depends on value of R. If the value of R is greater than 1, then make sure to use this formula. Right? And if R is less than 1, means 0.3, 0.5, 0.7, make sure to use this formula. So there are two formulas. Yes, I hope this is clear to all. There are two formulas. So which formula will be used here in this question? As we know, the R is 3, my dear. And if R is 3, it is clearly saying that R is greater than 1. And if R is greater than 1, we'll be using this formula. Right? So how many terms are there? Then find the sum of n terms. Okay. So Sn, we have n is already 6. N is already 6. So we can put here as 6 equals to A is what, my dear? A is what? First term is 7. Into R to power n. R is what? R is what? Common ratio is 3. 3 to power 6 minus 1 divided by R. R is what, my dear? 3. This 3 minus 1. Can we solve here, my dear? 3 to power 6 will be? Yes, 3 to power 6 will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 6 time. So what will be the value? Yeah, tell me in chat section, what will be the value? Yes, 3 to power 6. What will be 3 to power 6, my dear? Oh my God, 3 to power 6 I'm asking to you. Means, my dear champion, 3, we have to multiply 3 6 times from itself. This way. So 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 3 are 81, 81 3 are 242, 243 and 243 into 3. Yes, 729 is the value. So this will be 729 minus 1 divided 3 minus 1 will be 2. So this is equal to 7 into 728 divided by 2. Can we cancel this value? So this will go 36 and 4. Why? 72 and 8 is there. So by dividing 2, that value will be 364. So 364 into 7 will be your answer. Can we please multiply the values? So 364 into 7 will be 7 4 are 28, 2 2548 is the correct answer. Yes, my dear, tell me. 2548 is the correct answer. Very good. 2548 is the correct answer. The sum of n terms of the AP. So this is the formula. So if I ask you how many formulas we have used in this question. So the first formula was this. This formula we used in the first question, and the second formula we used is this one. So this is all about GPA. We are talking about GP, my dear. GP means geometric progression. I hope this is clear to all. Yes, tell me, my dear. Any doubt to anyone? If anyone is still doubtful, tell me, my dear. Ask me doubt again and again. Hi Rahul, hi Vivek, hi everyone. Yes, tell me. Is it clear to all? So by using the formula of GP, we can directly get the result. And I'm telling you honestly, the GP is going to come tomorrow in your board exam, in your question paper. Yeah, these two formulas are very crucial formulas, very important formula. They play important role in your exam. This is very important. Should I move ahead to the next question? Okay. Moving to question number 2. Look at the question, my dear. Very easy question. Look at the question. Yes, which option will be correct here? Yes, my dear, which option will be correct here? Tell me. Which option will be correct here? Which option will be correct here? Look at the question. Mr. Anuj deposits rupees 500 per month for 18 months in a recurring deposit account at a certain rate. If he earns rupees 570 as interest at the time of maturity, then his matured amount will be what? So we have to find out the mature amount. Mature amount will be what? Banking. This question is from banking, right? This question is from banking. Yes, which option will be correct here? Yes, everyone, which option will be correct here? I'm expecting the answer of this question from you guys. From you guys. Yes, look at the question, nothing is here. Look, so Mr. Anuj deposits rupees 500 per month. So the principal amount is 500 rupees. And for how many months? 18 months. The Mr. Anuj is depositing the amount rupees 500 per month for 18 months. Right. In a recurring deposit accounts at a certain rate. If he earns 570 as interest after 18 months, how much amount he earned in the form of interest? Rupees 570. Okay, so at the time of maturity, then his matured amount will be what? Come on, my dear. What will be the matured amount? The matured amount, this question is from banking, right? Matured amount will be what, my dear? The principal amount, this is the principal amount, 500 into for how many months? 18 months. So 500 into 18. And how much amount he is getting in the form of interest? That is 570. So plus 570. This is the total amount Mr. Anuj will get at the end of the 18th month. This is the principal amount, the amount which has been deposited, and for 18 months, so 18 into 500 will be there, and plus 570, the amount which is earned by the Anuj in the form of interest, right? So 500 into in any option is there? Option number 1. Can you see the option number 1? Rupees 500 into 18 plus this is interest, my dear. So P into this formula is used. P into N plus what is this, my dear? Interest. So this is the matured amount. MA is equal to P into N. P is what, my dear? Principal amount. This is what, my dear? Number of duration, I can say. This is duration. And what is this, my dear? This is interest earned. So this is the formula we are using here. Is that clear to all, everyone? I hope this formula is clear to all. Now moving to the next. So better to know the direct answer of these kind of questions. These never required any kind of formula and all. Just you can directly solve the question. Amount deposits into duration plus interest earned by the person who deposited the amount in the bank. I hope this is clear. Hi everyone. Hi Krish, Shitali. Hi everyone. Rahul, Dhruv. Very good. Now moving to next question. So option number 1 is correct. Moving to next question. Question number 3. Okay, question number 3. Look at the question. Which of the following cannot be the probability of any event? Which of the following cannot be? Can you see here, my dear? Cannot be. Cannot be the probability of an event. Oh my God. If I talk about probability of any event, so you know, my dear, this formula we used. Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. We use this formula. And let me tell you one thing. This is very important formula. So number of favorable outcome, this number always less than or equal to total number of outcome. It cannot be greater than total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes always less than or equal to total number of outcomes. Please keep it in mind. Total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes can never be greater than total number of outcomes. Can never be, because the percentage, probability, chances, possibility always comes under 100% or till 100% if we are completely sure. So number of favorable outcomes cannot be greater than total number of outcomes. Please keep this formula in mind, my dear. Yes, my dear. And can you see option number 1? Option number 1. This is the favorable outcome. Can you see this is the favorable outcome and this is the total number of outcome? Oh my God. The definition is not fulfilling the, this fraction, this value, this option is not fulfilling the definition of probability. The number of this 5 and this, oh my God, can this number of favorable outcome be greater than this? No, it cannot be. So this is incorrect. Which cannot be following, which of the following cannot be the probability of any event? So it cannot be the probability of any event because 5 is greater than 4. And if 5 is greater than 4, this is not possible. This is not possible in probability. So these are good. Of course, the 0.25 can be written as 25 by 100. And 25 by 100 is basically 1 by 4. Can you see here 1 by 4 is the result. And here 1 by 3, 1 is favorable outcome and 33, one is of course smaller than 33. Again 67%, so 67% can be written as this. Can you see number of favorable outcome and this is the total number of outcomes. Still 67 is smaller than 100 and which is of course following the definition of probability. 67 is smaller than total number of outcome, that is 100 there. Only this is incorrect. Okay, so this option will be this option will be correct. Now look at the question. Yes. Hi, hello to all everyone. All ICSE champions, are you ready for tomorrow's exam? Your mathematics battle, your maths battle, my dear. Okay. Yes, are you ready? Who is this? Yeah, tell me, is it clear to all? Hi Kulamani, hi everyone. Okay, look at the question. The equation of the following line passing through origin and parallel to the line, and the line is given to you. Very interesting question. So we have to find out the equation of a line, right? Another line, we are talking about some other line. Okay, so we have to find out the equation of that line which is passing through the point. So point of intersection is given to you, right? And parallel to this line. And if one line is parallel to another line, the slope will be equal to each other because both the lines are parallel to each other. Is it clear to all? Hi Dev Bhati, hello sir, hi everyone. Yes, so look at the question, my dear. So the equation of the line passing through origin and parallel to this. So my dear, we have to find out the equation of some other line which is parallel to this. And if parallel to this, it implies that the slope will be equal to each other. So can we find out the slope? So after changing the line equation of line in the form of y equals to mx plus c, we can find out the slope. So this is the equation 3x plus 4y plus 7 equals to 0. So we can write here 4y is equal to minus 3x and 7 will go there, so minus will be there. So y equals to minus 3 by 4x minus 7 by 4. So can you see here, if we compare this equation from this, y is equals to mx plus c, so we have m is equal to minus 3 by 4. And this slope will also be the slope of that line for which we are calculating, we are finding out the equation, right? Because that line is also parallel to this, right? So can we use the formula? I hope you know the formula. Y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 x minus x1. By using this formula, we can find out the equation of the line. Why? The line is passing through, this line is passing through origin, and which is 0, 0. So we know the point from which, we know a single point from which that line is passing, and we know slope also. We have slope also. Slope is equal to minus 3 by 4. So if we know the slope and we know the point of intersection, we can find out the line. So y minus y1 is what, my dear? 0. Why 0? Because the line is passing through origin, and origin is equal to 0, 0. So y minus 0, and this is called slope, my dear. This is basically slope. Slope is equal to m y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is itself a slope, and slope is directly we have. So minus 3 by 4 into x minus x1 is again 0, so we can write here y minus 0 will be y, and can we open the bracket, minus 3x divided by 4, so 4 will go there, so 4y plus 3x equals to 0, and we can as it is we can write this format. So this is the equation of the line that we required. Hi Loki, hi everyone. Yes, of course. Yes, my champion. So tomorrow is your maths exam, and that is the reason why I have come up with very important session. And yes, one very important news for you all. The question that I'm doing here, practicing here along with you, if you want these questions in PDF format, so go in description, link is given there, you just need to hit the link, and after putting your a bit detail there like number, contact number and all, you can get the PDF of these questions, my dear, and kindly make sure to practice these questions before sitting in examination hall tomorrow. Yes, my dear, please. Hi everyone. So link, go in description, PDF link is given there. The question that I'm solving here, I have made the PDF format also. Go and hit the link, okay, in description you can get the PDF of. I hope this is clear to all. Okay, so this is called, my dear, point slope form. Because in this question, can you see, my dear, the equation of the line passing through this, so point is given to you, we know the point, and parallel to this line, and if the required line is parallel to this line, so their slope will be equal to each other, and after converting this line in the form of mx, y equals to mx plus c, we can get the slope, and the slope of given line will be the slope of the required line also, because both the lines are parallel to each other. So by using the slope point slope formula, y minus y1 equals to, this is y, this is slope, and we can directly write here m, x minus x1. So by using this formula, we can get the required equation. Hi, hello to all champions. Tanu, Sagar, Saurav. Hi everyone. Hello champions. Hello to all ICSE champions. Are you ready for the battle tomorrow? Your maths exam? Yes, tell me. Is it clear to all, everyone? Hi everyone. So these questions are very extremely important for all the ICSE students. Those are going to write their maths exam tomorrow, my dear. Trust me, these are very important questions. Okay. Moving to question number 5. Oh, this question from matrices. Wow. Yes. Who can solve this question comfortably? Who can solve this question comfortably? So basically a matrix is given here. Matrix A is given to you, and we have to find out A square. What will be A square? And 4 options are given to you. Yes, which option will be correct here? Tell me. Which option will be correct, my dear? Come on. Which option will be correct? I am waiting for your response, everyone. Yes, tell me. Which option will be correct? 4 options are given to you. Yes, tell me which option will be correct. My dear, you know product of matrix, how we do product of 2 matrices. Very easy question. Okay, so let's do. So basically in this question, one matrix is given to you, which is matrix A. Matrix A is 0, 1, 1, 0. This is the matrix. And let me tell you, this is called identity matrix, because the diagonal elements are 0. This diagonal is 0, so this is called identity element, by the way. Okay, so how we can solve this question? So basically we have to find out here A square. A square means A into A. A into A. So we have to multiply 2 matrices 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 into right? Again same matrix, 0 1 1 0. Now how we can multiply two matrices? Listen my dear, so to multiply the matrices, what we do, listen, so always multiply the elements of row elements of first matrix from the column elements of the second matrix. Means if we are taking this, then we have to multiply these values from this row column. So 0 into first element will be 0 into 0, 0 into 0, so 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1. So this will be the first element of your matrix. I hope you are getting my point. Now let me change the color of the pin so that you guys can identify. Now for the second elements, so second row and the second column. Yes my dear, second row, second column. So 1 into 1 will be 1. 1 into 1, I can write in detail form. 1 into 1. 0 into plus, I'm putting the plus sign because after multiplication of first element, put the plus sign because we are multiplying second element as well. So 0 into 0 will be 0 into 0. Now let me change the color of the pen, white color. Okay, so now take this again. So we have completed the work here. Now what we have to do, can you see here my dear, after taking this element, this is the result. Okay, do one thing because this is a bit complex. So do one thing, multiply the values from the second column. So what we have to do, first row second column, first row second column. So after taking this row, we have to multiply by this column. So 0 into 1, 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0, 1 into 0. Now this row and first column, 1 into 0, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1, plus this row and this column, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So can we get the result here? 0 into 0, 1 into 1. So 1 will be there. 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0 will be there. 1 into 0, 0 into 1, 0 will be there. 1 into 1 and plus 0 into 0, 1 will be there. Oh, 1, 0, 0, 1. So the element has changed. 0 has become 1, 1 has become 0, 1 has become 0 and 0 has become 1. So the option number 1001, 10, this option will be correct. Option number 3 is correct. 1001 will be A square. Hi to everyone. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? So to multiply the matrices, if you are taking this matrix, this row wise, so multiply both column. Now taking second row, multiply both column. So I can say here, first row into first column, this will give you the first element. Now first row into second column, this will give you what? Second element of the matrix, the resulting matrix, right? Now taking this formula, second row into first column, second row into first column, and here again second row and second column. So I have applied this methodology to find out A square by doing this. I hope this is clear to all. I hope this is clear to all. So 1001 will be the correct answer. Okay, moving to next question. Oh wow, look at question my dear. Hello to all, hello to everyone. Yes. Now do this question. Hello everyone. Okay, so I can solve this question by so many methods. Let me tell you honestly, yes, there are 2-3 methods to solve this question. Yes my dear, alternate segment theorem we can also apply here. This angle, if this angle is 120 degree, if this is 120 degree my dear, if this is 120 degree, so this angle will be also here this is 120 degree. So if this is 120 degree, what will be this angle? Do you know? There are several methods. I've already told you I can solve this question by so many methods. So let's assume, can you see, my dear, chords AC and BC are equal. AC and BC are equal. If AC and BC are equal, so we can consider this x. So this will also be x. Why? By the property of an isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, their angle will also be equal to each other. So if this is 120 degree, so what will be this? This will be 60. And if this is 60, my dear, and there is a triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, the sum of all the angles will be equal to 180 degree by angle sum property, So x plus x will be 2x, and this 60 will go there. So this is 120, and this x is also 60 degree. Oh my God, this is 60 degree. We have proved. This is 60 degree. It means this is an equilateral triangle. But here in this question, we have to find out AEC. Where is AEC? This, we have to find out this angle. Oh, come on, yaar. Can you see A, B, C, E is a cyclic quadrilateral? Yes, my dear. Can you see here? ABC is a cyclic quadrilateral. And if ABC is a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angles will be equal to what? 180 degree. Nah, come on. So this angle plus this angle will give you 180 degree. Why? Because ABC is an a cyclic quadrilateral. So we can write here x plus this AEC will be equal to 180 degree. And this x is what? I'm not taking this x here, angle ABC is there. This is basically angle ABC plus angle AEC equals to 180 degree. So we know ABC is x, 60 degree. So 60 plus angle AEC is equal to 180 degree. So my dear, angle AEC is equal to 180 minus 60 will be 1. See, even I don't require to use this pen in this question, but here I'm teaching you guys, I'm giving you solution and methodology how you guys can solve the question in exam. So I cannot use any shortcut method because this is my responsibility to give you clarity on the solution. But toppers don't require even pen to solve this question. Okay. Hi to everyone. Okay. Is it clear? So the angle AEC is 120 degree, where option number 4 will be the correct option. Option number 4. Now moving to next question number 7. Good question. Question number 7. Yes, question number 7. The factor common to the two polynomials x square minus 4 and x cube minus x square minus 4x. Hello to all. Hi everyone. Look at the question. Instead of talking such things, instead of indulging in such things, I think you should focus on these questions. These are very important questions, and all the questions are very, very, very relatable to your exam tomorrow, your ICSE maths exam, my dear. So I think you should focus, at least attentive. You should be very attentive in the live class, my dear. Very important questions. Tell me any problem? Anyone is having any kind of problem? Yes, my dear. Is it clear to all? Yes. Now try this question. Yes. Who can solve this question? And if you can solve the question, any one of you can solve this question. Now tell me which option will be correct. Interesting question. All ICSE champions, this is for you. Yes, which option will be correct? The factor common. Maths exam, ICSE. Hi everyone. Lakshya, hi. Who are Aisha? Ayushi. Hello to all. Hello everyone. Yes, which option will be correct? Interesting question. Yes, we have to find out the common factor, the factor which is common in both the polynomials. So can you see here, the factor common, so first polynomial is x square, so let's say this is px, let's call this px. So my dear, px is equal to x square minus 4. So can we write x square minus 4 as x square minus 2 square? Yes, 4 can be written as 2 square, and this is the identity of a square minus b square. So it can be written as a plus b, a minus b. So these are the factors. These two brackets are the factor of first polynomial, right? Okay. Now the factor common to the polynomial, this and this. Okay. Now qx. We have to find out qx, the factor of qx. So q, let's say the q polynomial x, which is x cube minus 4x plus x square. X square is also there, no? Because we are writing cubic polynomial. So x square is also there. My x cube minus x square minus 4x plus 4. Okay. This is the cubic polynomial, and we have to find out the factors of this cubic polynomial also. Then only we can, we can check the similar factor. So factor of first polynomial is x plus 2, x minus 2. And after finding out the factor of this cubic polynomial, at the end we can match both the factors and get the common factor which is present in both the polynomials. So yes, how to find factor of this cubic polynomial, this is the most important thing. Most important question is this. I think x plus 1, x minus 1 is the factor of this cubic polynomial. If we divide this whole cubic polynomial, because can you see x cube is there? If we put here 1 cube will be 1, minus 1 square will be 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now here 1, 4 into 1 will be 4, and this is plus 4. So I can see easily that x minus 1 is we can also go through the options, my dear. So I'm trying to go through the options. So after getting this, x minus 1 is equal to 0, so x will be 1. So x minus 1 is completely dividing the polynomial second one, right? So x minus y, if we divide x minus 1 to this x cube minus x square minus 4x plus 4. So after taking this as x square, so this is x cube minus x square. Can we subtract? So minus will be changed to this, will be cancelled here. So we are getting here minus 4x plus 4, right? Now this is x and this is minus 4x. So we can put here minus 4 only. So minus 4, if we are putting minus 4, so this will become minus 4x, right? Minus 4x, and minus plus will be there, plus 4, right? So after subtracting the values, this is cancelled. Wow, completely cancelling. It means that this polynomial can be written as x minus 1 into x square minus 4. So again it can be written as what, my dear? X square minus 2 square. So this is the identity, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Now we have to find out factor common which is present in both the polynomials. So can you see, my dear, here, can you see, my dear, x plus 2 is there, x plus 2 is there, x minus 2 is there, x minus 2 is there. So there are two factors, common factors. X plus 2 is here and x plus 2 is here, right? And x minus 2 is here and x minus 2 is here. So which option is there? X minus 2. But x plus 2 is not given. So only x minus 2 we can consider. X minus 2 will be the correct answer, which is common in both. Which is common in both. Yes, tell me, my dear. Who is this? Yes, tell me. Everything is okay? Any problem is there? Yes, who is this? Rahul official. Yes, Sudhansh, any problem is there? Is it okay? Clear? So common factors are x plus 2, x minus 2. Now, yes. Okay, moving to any problem? Everything is okay? Yes, who is this? Laksh. Hi everyone. Saurav. Yes, is it clear to all? Should I move ahead to the next question? Question number 8. Wow, interesting question. Interesting question. Hi Sudhanshu. Oh, your name is Janvi. Thank you so much for letting your name. Okay. For letting me your name. Okay. Anu. Hi Anu. Okay. Look at the question. A man invested in a company paying 12% dividend. 12% dividend. Okay. On its share. If the percentage return on his investment is 10%, then the share as R. So these are the terms we use in share market as well. So you know this question is from your share, that chapter, share and dividends. You know dividends, my dear? Dividend. What is called dividend? This. What is called dividend? Dividend is the part of money which a company shares with their investors after getting some profit. So some ration proportion of that money they used to share with their investors, whoever invested in their company, right? So this is called dividend. Okay, so a man invested in a company paying 12% dividend on its share. If the percentage return on his investment is 10%, okay, then the share are at par, below par, above par cannot be determined. So let's see, I'm giving you the solution here. Very interesting question. So listen, my dear. So basically, a man invested in a company paying 12% dividend. What you understand by this? See, this question can only, good afternoon, hi everyone. This question can only solve by the formula directly. If you know the formula, yes, who is this? If you know the formula, return is equal to dividend by market value, dividend by market value into 100. A very important formula. Hi Prime, hi everyone. So hello to all ICSE champions. Yes, tell me which option will be correct here. Can you see the question, my dear? Which option will be correct here? How sweet of you all. Yes. Yes, by using the formula, direct formula we can use here. If you know the formula, return equals to dividend by market value into 100. Yes, my dear. Return equals to, basically dividend is dividend on one share. You can write directly dividend on one share, or you can write dividend directly. Dividend divided market value into 100. So this formula we can use. So a man invested in a company paying 12% dividend. 12% dividend. So let's suppose, just a second, my dear. Let me change my mic position, I think. Okay, so by using this formula, return equals to dividend, basically dividend is on one share, okay, divided by market value into 100. Okay, suppose the face value of what share is equal to 100 rupees. So my dear, if the face value of share is 100 rupees and that man is getting 12% dividend, means 12% profit part of that investment. So dividend will be what, my dear? This was the face value, 100 rupees. So dividend is 12%. So 12% will be 12 rupees. Right? So you have face value, initial value 100 rupees, and you have dividend 12 rupees. Now use this formula to get the market value. By compare the market value from face value, then only you can use the term at par, below par, above par. So return is what, my dear? Return, let's say return is return is 10%. So 10% of face value will be what, my dear? If I ask you 10%, Hi. Hello to all everyone champions. Hi sir. Who is this? Aishu is there. Aishu Pandya. Yes, hi sir. Hi everyone. So my dear, the base part of this live session is I have created a PDF also, PDF of these questions. So the ICSE students, those who all are going to write their maths exam tomorrow, kindly make sure to solve these questions given in description. Go and hit the link. Link is given there in description and you can get the PDF. Okay. So return is 10%. Can you see here? Return is 10%. So return, what will be the return? I have assumed here face value 100, so 10% will be 10 rupees. Right, now we can use the formula. 10 rupees here is 10 rupees return, dividend is 12 rupees, dividend is 12, market value we don't know, into 100. Right, so what will be the market value? So MV will be equal to 12 by 100, 10 will come here into 100. So 10 will cancel this 10. So market value, oh wow, market value is 120 rupees you are getting. And what was the face value? Here, what was the face value? The face value, what happened? Just a second, some problem here. Just a second, champions, just a second. Okay, yeah, the market value is 120 rupees and what was the face value? 100 rupees. So can we see here? Yes, my dear, market value is greater than face value. Yes, my dear, 120 rupees is greater than 100 rupees. It means this is ever par. This is called ever par. Means the face value was 100 rupees and the market value, the present value is 120 rupees, right? So this is called ever par. Yes. Okay, hi everyone, hi to you all. Hi Saurav, Laksh. Hi Prem, sorry, not Prem, Prime. Hello Shashank. Is it clear to all? So our par will be the correct answer. Why? Because we are getting here market value is greater than face value. Okay, moving to next question number 9. Yes. Yes, come on. Saurav Rati. I'm okay, Saurav, champion, I'm okay. I'm fully fine. Okay, let's do next question. Let's do next question. Can you see the question here? The point which is equidistant from three non-collinear points, this is just theoretical question. There is nothing, no calculation, no formula. If you know the definition of circumcenter and if you know the definition of incenter, you can solve this question. There is nothing challenging in this question. So look at the statement 1. The point which is equidistant from three non-collinear points. Non-collinear means the vertices of the triangle. Obviously the points of the vertices of triangle always be non-collinear. So non-collinear points D, E and F is the circumcenter of triangle DEF. Perfect. Yes, of course, this is true. The point which is equidistant from three non-collinear points is the circumcenter. Yeah, correct. Statement 2. The incenter of a triangle. Incenter, you know my dear, incenter. The point of intersection of the angle bisector of the triangle. So this is the angle here. Let's say this triangle is DEF. So this will be angle E, this will be angle F. And the angle bisector, this line, the angle bisector of this angle and the angle bisector of this angle. This point is called incenter, my dear. The point of intersection of the angle bisectors. And you know, my dear, if we draw a circle here, so this point is the center of that circle. That is called incenter, my dear. So that is the reason why this is called incenter. So both the statements are true. Both the statements are true. Of course, both the statements are true. Yes. Hello, hi everyone. Both the statements are true, my dear. There is nothing mathematics, no formula, nothing. If you know the definition, this is just about theoretical part. Okay, superb guys. Okay, moving to question number 10. Wow. Yes. Hello to all, hello to everyone. Ronak. Yes. Now, which option will be correct? Yes, which option will be correct here? Yes, this question is just of your trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. If you know that formula, you can solve this question. Nothing is challenging here in this question. Okay, let's do the solution. So the question is okay, the question is look at the assertion. If sin square a plus sin a equals to 1, then cos to power 4a plus cos square will be 1. Okay, let's check. And this is statement. So we can put here because. Whenever assertion and region question comes up, so always put because between both the statements, assertion and region, right? Because assertion means this, because this. So whether the region is explaining the assertion or not, we have to check that also. So let's check it once. So my dear, if sin square a plus sin a equals to 1, so we can write here sin square a plus sin a equals to 1, so sin square will go there. So sin a will be equal to 1 minus sin square a. And you know 1 minus sin square a in statement 2 is given, which is equal to cos square a. So we are using statement 2 also. So sin a can be written as cos square a. I am not writing as per my wish, I am writing according to statement 2. The statement 2 is saying that 1 minus cos sin square a can be written as cos square a. Now, okay, very good. So we got some new thing. Now look at this. Now look at this. Now we know, my dear, there is a very important formula, sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. And the important thing is sin a is equal to cos. So sin a equals to cos square a. So sin square a will be what, my dear? Come on, my dear. If we are squaring this, so sin square a will be equal to cos square, will go again square. So cos to power 4 will be there. So can we put here cos to power 4a plus cos square equals to 1, and this is, look at here, cos to power 4a plus cos square equal to 1. So which is absolutely correct. Statement 1 is correct, and yes, statement 2 is explaining the statement 1. So both a and r true and r is the correct. Yes, my dear, option number C will be correct. Both a and r are true and r is the correct region for a. Correct. Yes. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Okay, moving to next question. This question is from triangle. Triangle. Very easy question. Okay, look at the question, my dear. Very easy question. Very easy. Okay. In the given diagram, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG, okay, where is ABC? It's similar to triangle EFG, perfect. Then, and some informations are given here, BC 60 degree and all, and what will be the length of FG? Let me tell you a very magical method, my dear. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG, which is already given to you, this triangle is similar to this. This information is already provided. So you can follow this only directly, the corresponding sides, because the triangle name is already given. So the one challenging work, the challenging task to write the triangles, similar triangles in words, this is already given. The challenging task is already done, right? So if triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG, right? So you don't need to do anything. Come on, my dear, take the corresponding sides. AB by EF, AB by EF, their corresponding sides will be in same ratio. Now, why? Because the triangles are similar. And what you required FG. So we have to take FG. For FG, BC we have to take BC by FG. Right? Now check the values. I think values are given there. AB is 15. Where is EF? EF is also given, 75. BC, where is BC? BC is 3. And where is FG? We don't know FG. FG, this is FG. We don't know FG. So FG, we can write here FG. So this is 15, 5 ja, 75, and cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication, FG will be 5 3 ja 15 centimeter. Answer. Option number 1 will be the correct. 15 centimeter. Yes, 15 centimeter will be the correct answer. Hello, is it clear to all everyone? 15 centimeter will be the correct answer. Just similarity now, corresponding, because both the triangles are similar, and if both the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio, right? And if their corresponding sides will be the same ratio, by putting the values, we can get the result here. Okay. Okay, moving to next question. Question number 12. Very easy question. Formula based question. If the volume of two spheres in the ratio this, okay, you know volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So I am taking r1 here because two spheres are there. 4 by 3 pi r2 cube equals to 27 by 64. Right? So 4 by 3 pi cancel here, and this is r1 by r2 whole cube, which is equal to 27 by 64. And 27 by 64 can also be written as 3 by 4 whole cube. I hope you are getting my point. It can be written as 3 by 4 cube. 3 cube is 27, right? And 4 cube is 64. So this format can be written as this. Now look at this bracket and this bracket. Powers are same. Both the powers are same, 3 3. So base will also be equal to each other. So r1 by r2 will be equal to 3 by 4, which can also be written as 3 ratio 4 is correct answer. Any option is there? 3 ratio 4, option number 1. Yes. Option number 1 will be the correct answer. Any problem to anyone? Yes, any problem to anyone? Tell me, any problem to anyone? Okay. Moving to next question, question number 13. The market price of an article, is 1375 rupees if the GST is charged at a rate of 4% CGST, okay. Then the price of the article including GST is, including GST. GST means what, my dear? GST means goods and services tax. This question is from your goods and services tax chapter, okay. Now we all know in goods and services tax there are two categories of taxes. There are two kinds of taxes, right? GST and CGST. Yeah, I hope you know this. SGST and CGST. There are two categories of GST. So what will be the net GST, my dear? If we talk about here, can you see, my dear, the market price of an article. Market price of an article is rupees 1375. And if the CGST is charged at a rate of 4%, then the price of article including GST is categorized in two forms, right my dear? CGST and SGST, which is called state goods services tax, है ना? Yeah. So CGST and SGST. And can you see here, if the CGST is charged at a rate of 4%, so CGST is 4%, so SGST will also be 4%. So what will be the overall charges, overall tax? So overall tax will be, you know my dear, 4% plus 4% and will be equal to what my dear? 8%. So this is GST my dear. So total GST which is imposing on this article is 8%. So what will be the price of this article after applying GST? So price of article, so GST in rupees will be what? Can we find out in rupees first? So 8 by 100 into this 1375. This is the market price. Okay, now can we cancel here? 4 to the 8 and this is now 2 and yes 25. Can we cancel this? I think 25 will cancel 1375. Can we check it once? Okay, we can check by 5. So 5 to the 10 and 3 5 7 ja 35 2 5 5 ja, and this is 5 5. Again 5 will cancel, 5 5 ja 25 205 rupees 55. Rupees 55 is the tax which is imposing on this article. So what will be the new price? New price of the article will be rupees 1375 plus rupees 55. So can we add both the numbers? So 0 0 7 5 12 12 3 carry 1 and this will be 4 1 1430 rupees will be the correct answer. Option number C, 1430 will be the correct answer. Hello to all everyone. Hi everyone, saw me. Is it clear to all? So the new price of the article including GST will be 1430 rupees that we guys are paying at shops, on supermarkets and mall and everything. So we are getting, after imposing the GST, and GST of two categories, SGST and CGST. Okay, otherwise the original price of the article was 1375 and look at the difference. This is 1430. Okay. Yes. Okay. Superb. I hope this question is clear to all. Moving to next question. So this formula basically we are using here. The total GST is the sum of CGST and SGST, which is 4% plus 4% is equal to 8%. So total GST amount will be 8% of 1375. Okay. Moving to next question. Oh, linear programming. Okay, the solution set for 0, which is x minus 3 minus x by 3 is greater than 0 and minus x by 3 is less than 2 and x belongs to integers. Z is integers. Z is integers, my dear. Z represents integers. Okay, so there is a linear programming given here. So I think nothing is challenging in this question. Yes. So my dear, if you can see here, 0 is less than minus x by 3, less than from 2, right? So if we multiply, this 3 is in division form, so this 3 will go there, multiply 0, and this 3 will go there, multiply 3 to just 6. So it can be written as 0 is less than minus x less than this is what, my dear? This will be 6. 3 to just 6. Yes, my dear. Can we write this equation as linear programming as this linear inequality, this 0 less than minus 6 and minus 6 is less than minus 6. Now if we multiply minus sign, if we change the minus sign of this variable x, so the sign will change. So 0 x will become, and this x will be greater than minus 6. So this format will come here. After changing the sign of this sign will also be changed, because earlier x was in negative form, now x is in positive form, because now we are imposing this negative here and here, and if we are imposing the negative sign on these values, so sign greater than and less than will be changed. So this is the rule. So x is less than 0 and x is greater than minus 6. So if x is greater than minus 6, x is greater than minus 6, so I think the values will be minus 4, minus 5, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and less than 0. And less than 0 is still minus 1. 0 will not be included. So these are the options: minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Option number 1. Why? Can you see here? X is less than 0. So very good. All the values. But x is greater than minus 6. So these are the values: minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. These are the values of x which are greater than minus 6. So this is the answer. Option number 1 will be the correct one. Hi to all. Is it clear to everyone? Option number 1 will be the correct answer. Okay, moving to next question number 15. What is this? Assertion is given there the mean of first natural number is 4.5, and for mean this formula of sum of all observations, and yes, this is absolutely correct. This is absolutely correct. We generally use this formula to find out the mean of any data. Sum of all the observations divided by total number of observation. There is nothing new. We have already used this formula so many times. But we have to focus on first assertion. The mean of first n natural number is 4.5. So what are the natural numbers? If I ask you the natural numbers, first 9 natural numbers, what will be the first 9 natural numbers, my dear? So first 9 natural numbers. So I think this will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, and divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 9. Now can we add the numbers? So 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 4, 10, 10, 5, 15, 15 and 6 will be 21, 21 and 7, 28, 28 and 8, 36, 36 plus 9 will be 45. 45 divided by 9, and which is equal, oh my god, the mean is 5. The mean is 5. The mean that we are getting is 5, and here the mean is given as 4.5. Can you see, my dear? This mean is 4.5. It implies that the given assertion is absolutely wrong, false, because the real mean is 5. And which formula we have used here? The formula, this given formula. So this is absolutely correct, but this is false. So option A is false and R is true. Option number B will be the correct, because assertion is false and region is absolutely true. Yes, is it clear to all? Assertion, the given assertion is false, but the region is absolutely true. Okay, moving to, this is clear to all, everyone? Any problem, any doubt? Tell me, my dear. Is it clear to all, everyone? Moving to next question, question number 16. Wow. Quadratic equation. There is a quadratic equation given to you all. Okay, look at the question. Solve the following quadratic equations. Give your correct answer to 3 significant figures. Okay, 3 significant figures means 3 decimal points. We have to find out the roots of this given quadratic equation till up to 3 decimal points. This is 3 significant figures, that is the same meaning. Okay, so 4 to ja 8 and 6, 8, 1 ja, oh, this question we cannot solve by using, middle term splitting method. We have to use quadratic formula for this quadratic equation. So by using quadratic formula, okay, by using quadratic formula, we have very powerful formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Yes, so what is a here? A is equal to 2. What is b here? B is minus 5. And what is c here? C is minus 4. These are the values. This is called a, this is b, and this value is called c. Right, so a is 2, b is minus 5, and c is minus 4. Now use the values. Minus b, so b is already in negative form, minus 5, plus minus under root b square minus 5 square minus 4. A is 2, c is minus 4, divided by 2 into a is 2. So x will be equal to minus plus will be there, minus this minus will be plus. So plus 5 plus minus under root minus 5 square will be 25, minus 5 square is 25 here, and minus 4 into, can you see the bracket? Come on, minus 5 square is 25, and here minus plus, and 4 to the 8 4 ja 32, divided by 2 to the 4. So x will be equal to 5 plus minus under root 25 plus 35, 25 plus 35, 25 plus 35. This will be equal to 57 divided by 4. So we have to find out the root of 57 till up to 3 decimals, because the question is saying give your answer corrected to the 3 significant figures. So find out the root of 57. The root of x is equal to 5 plus minus, this is 57 divided by 2 to the 4. So if we find out the root of 57, so it will come around can you find out the root of 57? Yes. Hi everyone. Hi user. User is asking my name. You are new. The student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button, you guys. And one very important thing, if you are ICSE student and you guys are going to appear in your board exam tomorrow of your maths exam, so a very important good news for you all. I have created a very important PDF sheet for your questions. So before sitting in examination hall, kindly practice these questions. And yes, the link is given in description. Go and hit the link and you can get the PDF of the questions. My name. Yes, user, my name is. Yes, come on champ, you all can call me Sonu sir. Yes, Sonu sir. Yes, give me. What will be the root of 57? Come on my dear. What will be the root of 57 up to 3 decimal places? Yeah, I have told you my dear. Don't request me a lot. I have told you my name. Okay, so what will be the root of 57 up to 3 decimal places? 3 decimal places. Give me. I want to see the name of that student who give me the root of 57 up to 3 decimal places. Yes, user. Thank you. Yes. So the root of 57 at 3 decimal places is this. Yes, my dear. 7.549. You can verify. User, how sweet of you. Thank you. So you guys can verify root 57. Check it. Come on, check it. If you have calculator in front of you or mobile, whatever, check it once. 7.549. If you multiply 7.549 into 7.549, whether you are getting root 57 or not. Yes, check it once. Come on, check it once. Yes. 7.549 into 7.4549, how much value you are getting? Yes. And this is clear now, because root 57, if 49 was there, so the root will be 7. And the next will be 64. But this number 57 is between 49 and 64. So this implies that the result will be 7 point something. Yes. the result will be 7 point something, because this 57 is in between 49 and 64. After 49 the next perfect square is 64, right? So we all know the root of 49 is 7 and the root of 64 is 8, but this number is in between somewhere here, 57. So this is obvious, the result will be 7 point something. Yes, tell me, are you getting the same value 57 or not? If you multiply 7.549 into 7.549, multiply this value twice. Give me thumbs up, my dear, if you are getting the value 57. If you multiply, when you are multiplying 7.549 into 7.549, you are getting 57. You all are getting 57, tell me. So this is the value. Now we can put the value there. So x is equal to 5 plus minus 7.549 divided by, this is 4. Now take positive sign first. So first root means first solution will be equal to x is equal to 5 plus 7.549 divided by, I'm considering positive sign first, right? So x will be equal to this is 12.549, this is 12 into 2 divided by 4, and the next result will be what, my dear? Can we solve it? So what will be result? Find it the value. Now the second root, now consider negative sign. So x is equal to 5 minus 7.549 divided by 4. So 5 minus 5.0 will be there, and this is 7 point, we can directly multiply 7.549 minus 5.000. So this is 9, 4, 5, and this is 2. So 2 point minus 2.549 divided by 4. Now solve this. Hi Suraj, hello, you are back. Come on, champion. Very good. Superb. Yes. Hi Suraj, hi, I'm fine. Very easy question, Suraj. Nothing is challenging here. So this is 12.549 divided by 4. So if we dividing, sir, coordinate geometry. Yeah, okay, no problem. And yes, my dear, the beautiful thing about this session is PDF is given there in description. Come on, go and download the PDF, my dear. And the student who have not subscribed the channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button, like the session, and yes, go and download the PDF. PDF is given in description, my dear. This is the beautiful part about this today's live class. You guys can get the quality PDF sheet. Thanks, sir. Quality PDF, come on, go. Why you are delaying? Guys? Go and hit the description. Link is given in description. Yes, you can get the PDF. Quality questions. Yes, very important question. And you all are going to remember me in examination hall. And don't leave the things on regret, that you guys are going to regret why I didn't download the PDF and all. So this kind of things. So please go. And yes, who is this? Okay, sir. No, yaar, no, Muhammad Nadeem, no, not at all, yaar. You cannot compromise with coordinate geometry. Even here, I have picked a few questions from coordinate geometry, my dear. Look at the coordinate geometry. Very important question. So we cannot compromise. The question is question. So yes, what will be the result? 12.549 divided by 4. What will be the result? Come on. $3.137. Solve this. 3.137. The first solution was this. And can you see the correct answer to 3 significant figures? 3. And look, 3 significant figure. After decimal, 3 digits are there. 1, 7. Now, here in this question, 2.549 divided by 4. Oh my God, numerator is smaller and denominator is greater. And if you divide numerator from denominator, and numerator is smaller and denominator is greater, so the result will be 0 point something. Alka, hi everyone. Hi sir. Hi Shinaz, long time no see. Very good, superb. So if we divide this, so you are getting here, you may getting here minus 0.637. Yes, my dear, this is the result. You can verify, you can check by your own. Hi, sir. Hello, Shinaz. Yes, if we divide this value from 4, this result will come. Minus 0. This is clear now because the numerator is 2. And you are dividing 2 from 4. So the result will be 0 point something. You can verify. Dear ICSE champions, you have just only, I think, 10 to 12 hours to write your maths exam. So I think you should focus on your exam. I think you should focus on your exam, my dear. Don't indulge in such chat and such conversation here in live section. I think you should focus on these questions. These are very powerful questions. Tell me, okay? Tell me if you are getting any kind of difficulty in problem in solution. I'm giving you very easy and quality solution of the questions. There is nothing rocket science and nothing challenging in the solution. Look at the solution. Okay, look at the question here. Mrs. Rao deposited rupees 250 per month in a recurring deposit account for a period of 3 years. Oh, very good. 3 years means 12 into 3. 12 into 3, 36 months. 3 years means 12 into 30. 12 into, yes, 3. That will be 36 months. Sir, please tell me. Suraj, what you are asking? I didn't see your question. Are you asking something, Suraj? Right, again. I couldn't see your message. What you are writing, what you are asking to me. I didn't see the message. Yes. If you are having any problem, just tell me. Okay. So, Mrs. Rao deposited rupees 250 per month in a recurring deposit account for a period of 3 years. Okay. She received this at the time of maturity. Oh my God. Okay, let's see how much money she deposited and how much money she got at the time of maturity. So, what will be the principal value? 250 into y, sir. Hello to all. Hello to all. Suraj, oh, you are asking this question. I was expecting some good question. You are going to ask some doubt, some problem you are having, but you are asking this question. Come on, my dear. Get over to this. Sir, equation of line. Oh, don't worry, my dear. I have just solved a question, equation of line, Muhammad. Look at this question, equation of line here. Look, equation of line, this question. Point slope form. Where were you? Where were you? Where were you? Okay, don't worry. I have also so many questions here in this live class. So focus on the live class, my dear. This live class is going to be very important for you. Don't worry. Don't think any negative thing. Don't bring any negativity in your mind. I'm here. Don't say, sir. Sorry, sir. It happens. I know you guys are on this stage. It happens. No to worry, champion Suraj. No to worry. Okay, let's do this question. Okay. So let's solve this question. This question is from banking, gaming. Hi, gaming. Hi, sir. Hi. Balvinder, don't spam your bro. Please stop this. Suraj. Oh, bro. No one is here. Oh? I'm alone. Okay. Hi, sir. Hi. Balvinder, bro, I'm begging to you, stop this. Come on, yaar, don't do this. Otherwise, my technical person will block you forever. Don't do this. This is final warning to you all. Okay. Okay, so give me thumbs up if you guys have downloaded the PDF from description. Give me thumbs up. ICSE students, champions, those who all are going to write your board exam tomorrow of your maths, you all have downloaded the PDF sheet given in the description. Give me thumbs up. Yes, you have downloaded the PDF. Okay, you have downloaded the PDF, everyone? Okay, should I move ahead to question number 17? Very important question. If you know the formula, you can solve the question, otherwise nothing is there. That formula will be used. Using the recurring deposit interest formula. This formula is very important, my dear, for this question. This formula. Come on, my dear, very important formula. Please keep this formula in mind. Tomorrow is your exam. You are just 11 hours away from your exam. So this is very important formula. Please. Yes, Shashank, very good. Very good. How sweet of you. Very good. Okay, so let's solve the question. So, Mrs. Rao deposits rupees 250 per month in a recurring deposit. So, for 3 years. My dear, period is 3 years. 3 years means, my dear, 3 into 12 months. 3 into 12 months. So how many months are there? 36 months. Because Mrs. Rao is depositing the money 250 rupees per month. So we have to follow that statement, per month. Okay. So what will be market value is what? Market value, she received this maturity amount. So this is the amount. So can we write this will be equal to so 10,110 rupees will be equal to 36 month and 250 rupees plus interest. We don't know interest, that's why the interest will be added there. So 10110 minus 36 into 250 will be what? 36 into 250. This will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 15, this is 0, this is 8, so 0, 0, 9,000 rupees. So this is minus 9,000, this will go there, equal to interest. So 10,110 minus 9,000. So 1,110 will be the interest. This is the interest that she earned, 1,110. Who is this? Yes, is it clear to all? 1,110 will be the interest. See, the situation is Mrs. Rao deposited 250 per month till up to 3 years. So how much money she deposited? 9,000 rupees. But how much money she received at the time of maturity? So at the time of maturity she got this rupees. So this rupees is basically with interest, the interest she has earned. So how much interest she earned? 1,110 rupees. Now the first question is find the rate of interest, and this formula will be used for rate of interest. I equals to, so now I'm solving first part. So I is equal to principal amount into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12. Can you see here, my dear? 2 into 12, and we can directly write here this. Okay, I'll be giving you a very short method. By using that short formula, you can get the result. So first tell me, is it clear to everyone? Harje jhalak. Hi RJ. Hi, hello to all everyone. Jay Bhardwaj. Yes, tell me, is it clear till here? So the interest she earned is equal to rupees 1110. Now we have to find out the rate, and to find out the rate, which formula will be used? I equals to P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. That formula will be used. Hi Vinay. Hello Vinay. Clear. Shashank, very good. So use that formula. So I use this formula. So I is equal to this 1110 equals to P. Where is P? This is the P. 10110 into N. Where is N? Come on. N is basically 36 months. This is N. This is N, 36 months. So this is 36 into 36 plus 1 will be 37 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100 into R by 100. Yes, is it clear to all everyone? R by 100. Is it clear to everyone? But we have to find out here rate. So can we find out the result? So rate can be written as 1110 into 12 to the 24. 24 into 100 will go there, divided by this value 10,110 into 36 into 37. Okay, now can we check the result here? So I think this will divide, 0 will cancel this 0, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, and 37 can divide this value. 37 can divide this value. I think 37 3 ja 110, 1 and 0 is there. 37 into 3. 37 into 3 will be 7 3 21. Carry 1, carry 2, 3 0 9 to 11. Yes, my dear, this is 30. And now this will cancel here by 10 times. Is it clear? So can we get the result here? So this is, we are getting here is R is equal to 10 to the 20 into this 10 is there, and divided by 1011. So this is R is equal to 20 into 10 will be 200 and divided by 1011. So what will be the result? Can you check the result, my dear? Yes, what will be the result? $250 into 250. Oh, principal amount. How much was the principal amount? Okay, the principal amount was 250 rupees, na? So why we are putting here this value? It has, oh my God, one silly mistake can lead, huge wastage of time. The principal amount, this was not principal amount, this was the mature amount, my dear. This is the mature amount. This is the mature amount. Okay, the principal amount is that value. Principal amount here is the principal amount. Okay, so this will be the 250. That is the reason why rate was not coming correctly. So R can be written as now. Yes, my dear. So this is 110 into 24 into 100 and divided by 250 into 360 into 37. Yes. So 0 will cancel this 0 perfectly, and this 2 and this will be 3. Right? This 37 will cancel by 30 times, and this 3 will cancel this by 10 times, right? And this is 2 5 ja 10, and this is 5 5 ja 25. So 5 will cancel this 2 into 2 into 2. So R is equal to 8%. This is the answer, my dear. R is equal to 8%. Yes, is it clear, everyone? Who is this? Where is Shroff? What you are asking, bro? How to solve, Captain? Hi, UP. Wow, superb. I'm hearing this word captain for a long time, after a long time. Thank you so much. Sir, how to solve problem when time is not given? Oh, that question is from quadratic equation, Shashank. So you have to wait few minutes because I have brought up some question based on that problem also. So no need to worry about that question. Yes, RJ, rate will be 8%. Is it clear to everyone? What I want to say, what you did understood. Who is this buddy? Who is this buddy? Oh, Solo. How champion? How are you, man? Great. Solo is here. Hello, sir. Hi, Tushar. Hello, champ. Okay, now, so the first part has solved. Now look at the second part, my dear. The second part is how much more interest Mrs. Rao will receive if she had deposited 50 more. Come on, 50 more per month. So earlierly she was depositing 250 rupees per month. Now if she starts depositing 300 rupees, because 50 more, so 50 more rupees will be added. So if 50 more rupees will be added, so how much principal value will be there? 300 rupees will be there. So we can find out the interest, how much interest she is getting if she is applying, she is depositing the money as 300 rupees per month. So can we find out the values, my dear? Don't go anywhere, Solo. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much, champ. So this was the A. Now look at the second part, my dear. Okay, the second part is, can I use this space for second part? So second part is how much more interest Mrs. Rao will receive if she had deposited 50 more. Okay, so use this formula. I will be equal to, principal amount will change, 250 rupees, 250 rupees, 250 rupees plus 3, 30, 50. So 250 rupees plus 30 will be 50 will be 100 rupees. So this is 100 rupees, principal amount is 100 rupees, 300 rupees, 300 into 4 duration, duration is still same. So 36 months, 36 into 36 plus 1 will be 37, divided by 2 into 12 into rate will be same, rate is same. So rate we have just calculated 8%. So 8 divided by 100. Now can we solve the values? I think we can cancel all the values. So 12 will cancel this 3 ja, and 2 will cancel by 4 time. This 100 will cancel this 3 time. So the interest is equal to 3 3 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36, 36 into 37. Can we multiply the values? 36 into 37 will be equal to 42, 40, 11. And 11 and 4 will be 21 into 4 will be 25, 6 3 is 18, carry 1, and this is 9 10 2 3 3 1332 rupees 1332. This will be the interest. So how much money? The question is by how much more interest? The earlier interest was 110. This is new interest. So how much money she received more? So how much more interest? So more interest is equal to this 1332 minus this value 1110. So can we subtract the values? So this is 2 and 3 1 minus will be 2 and 3 1 minus will be 2 1. So this is that answer, 222 rupees. 222 rupees she will receive more, my dear, if she increase the principal value. If she deposits to 300 rupees per month, then the interest amount will be increased by 222 rupees. Yes, is it clear to all? Hi Kyasa, hi Kavya, Kyasa. If I'm not wrong, you're Kavya. Kritika. Is it clear to all, everyone? So dear all ICSE students, please, this formula is very important. to find out the interest. If you are depositing some money, your principal value will be there, rate will be there, and this n is number of months. My dear, here n is number of months. Please, this n is equal to number of months, this n. So this is very important formula. Is it clear to all? Should I move ahead to the next question, everyone? And the student who is looking for quality questions, PDF sheet for these questions, all ICSE students. So the important part, the interesting thing for you all, the PDF is given in description, the link is there, hit the link, and yes, you can get the PDF by putting, I think a few details will be required there, your contact number and all. Okay, so go and download the PDF and practice all the questions today in single sitting before writing your examination tomorrow, my dear. All the questions are very powerful. Okay, moving to next question, question number 18. Yes, look at the question number 18, very easy question. Yes, very easy question. I want to visit Japan. Very good. First, get 90% at least in your 10th board exam. Then go anywhere, wherever you want to visit, my dear. The most important thing is exam, and exam. Okay, so focus on your exam as well. Yes, okay, let's do the question. So my dear champion, look at the question. Okay, so in triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree. ABC is 90 degree. Very good. AB is given 20 centimeter, AC is given 25 centimeter, and DE is perpendicular. DE is perpendicular to AC. Okay, show that such that angle DEA and very easy question. Yeah, look, so there are two triangles and both the triangles are right angle triangle. Can you see, my dear, the smaller triangle AED and triangle ABC, 90 degree, 90 degree, and this angle will be common. Can you see here? This angle A will be common in both the triangles because angle A is present in both the triangle, a smaller one and a bigger one. So by double similarity, yes, my dear. So let's solve the question number 1. So first, in triangle ABC and triangle AED, right? So angle ABC will be equal to angle AED, each 90 degree, right? And angle BAC will be equal to EAD. Yes, my dear, and these two angles are common. So by double A similarity, triangle ABC will be similar to triangle AED, right? Why? Because two angles in both the triangles are equal to each other. One is each equal to 90 degree and one pair of angle is common in both. This angle is common in both the triangles. So by double similarity, triangle ABC has become similar to triangle AED. Now, once you have proved, sir, who is this? Sir Asla. What is this, sir Asla? Sir, I'm not able to join the meeting today at my end of the meeting. There in the evening or not tomorrow morning, and I'll call you. Oh my God, what you are writing, bro? I only know maths, bro. I don't know anything. Okay, so look at the question. Okay, now find the length of BC, AD and AE. Where is BC? This is BC. BC is the part of the bigger triangle and BC is the base also, my dear. So let's do second part. So BC, this BC can directly be calculated by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base. So BC will be directly can be written as AC square minus AB square. So BC will be equal to AC which is 25 square minus AB is equal to 20 whole square. So BC will be equal to 25 whole square will be 625 minus 20 whole square will be 400, right? So BC will be equal to 225. You know 225? I think 225 is the square root of 15. So this is 15 centimeter. You know, under root 225 is 15 centimeter. Na, simple. Guys, you can verify. 15, 15, 15, 75, 15. Yes, my dear. 225 is correct answer. So BC we got 15 centimeter. Now we have to find out AD here and we have to find out AE here. Don't worry. Look at the first part. Aro, how are you? Okay. Sorry. Sir, English. How sweet of you guys. So if you want to learn English well, you should come frequently in my live classes, I think. Watch the English movies, watch whatever you are watching on YouTube and all, and on other platforms. Make sure to watch English things to improve your English. It's all depend. If you are honest to learn anything, you can learn. Otherwise, everything will be challenging for you all. Okay. Now, so BC, we have found out BC. We have found out BC. BC is 15 centimeter. We got this BC. Now AD. Now for AD is the part of this smaller triangle, and A is also the part of this smaller triangle. So what we can do? We have proved that triangle ABC is similar to AD. So if triangle ABC is similar to triangle AED, my dear champion, their corresponding sides will also be in the same ratio. Hello everyone. If the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. So we can write AB by this is AE, my dear. Let me write clearly. This is AED. Okay. So no need to confused. AED. So AB by AE will be equal to BC by ED. BC by ED will be equal to AC by AD. If you are taking AC here in this triangle, so we have to take AD because corresponding side should be there. This is AD. Now where is AB? You know AB is 20 centimeter. Where is AE? We don't know AE. This is AE. Where is BC? Yes, BC. We have just got the value of BC, which is 15. Where is ED? ED is also given here 3. Is equal to AC. Where is AC? AC is 25. And where is AD? We don't know AD. Oh my God. Very easy question. Now take these two ratios first. So 20 by AE will be equal to 15 by 3. So this will cancel 3 5 is 15, and so AE will be equal to 20 by 55. 5 will come here, no? So AE is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, we got AE. This part is solved. Now AD. For AD, take these two ratio. This 15 by 3 is equal to 25 by AD. Right? This will cancel here 3 5 right. So AD will be there 25 by 5. So 25 will be divided by 5 times. So AD we are getting here is 5 centimeter. This is the answer. So we have solved BC, AD and AE. So second part is also. Now come to second C part. Yes, who is this? Hi guys. Shreya. Hi Shreya. Hello everyone. Hi Kanika, Mamta. No Kayasa, this is not recording, this is live class. I'm looking at your chats, don't worry. Hello everyone. This is not live, this is not recording classes, sorry. This is live class. I'm live, my dear. I'm still live here. Live and alive. Some of you is saying this is recording. No, not at all. Yes. Is it clear to all? Hi Fardeen. Hello all. All the ICSE student go and get your PDF. The PDF is given here in this live class description. Go in description. The PDF sheet is there. There are so many quality questions are there. Practice by your own, my dear. Very important PDF I personally made for you all, everyone. Yes. Is it clear to all, everyone? Any problem is there? Okay, look at the second part. C part is saying if BCED represents a plot of land on a map whose actual area on ground is 576 meters square, then find the scale factor of the map. Okay, BCED is represent a plot. So we have to find out scale factor of map, which is called K square. Yes, tell me, everyone. How to find scale factor? Hi Kanika, hi Abhi, hello everyone. Rashi, hi Rashi, hello to all. Very easy, yaar. Come on. Scale factor of map. You know, for formula to find out scale factor of map. The scale factor of map can be find out using the formula area of the plot, which is given there. BCED is the represent plot. So area of the plot BCED divided by actual area. Divided by actual area. Very good, Kasa. Divided by actual area. Okay, so let's solve. So I need some space here, so let me erase. If you want to take a screenshot, my dear, take a screenshot of the solution of part 1, part B, and let's do now part C. So basically part C is find out if BCED, where is BCED? BCED, okay. This BCED, basically this BCED represents a plot of land. This is BCED. This BCED is plot of land. Okay, plot of land on a map whose actual area on ground is 576 meter square. Yes, my dear. So actual area on whose actual area on ground is 576 meter square. Then find out the scale factor of the map. So basically scale factor of the map is K square. This is called K square, and the formula is BCD represent a plot of land on a map. So area of BCD on map, that is here, this is map basically, divided by actual area. This formula, actual area, this formula will give you a scale factor. A scale factor of the map K square is equal to area of BCD on map divided by actual area. Divided by actual area. Hi to all. Who is this from Muradabad? Very good. Kanika, Fardeen, very good. Superb. So, find out the result. So, K square will be equal to area of BCD. This is BCD. How we can find out BCD? So, BCD can be found out by using this formula. Area of ABC minus area of AED. AED. Yes, and divided by 576 meter square. So, what will be area of ABC? 1 upon 2 ABCD. ABC is a right angle triangle. So, 1 upon 2 base. Base is BC into height will be AB. Minus area of triangle ABC, AED, and AED is also a right angle triangle. So 1 upon 2 base will be DE, and into height will be AE. Height will be AE. So divided by 576 meter square. So K square. Now put the values. You know everything. Put the values. Hello everyone, what happened? Hello to all. Is it clear everyone? Now put the values. Now you know values. We have to write the values now. AD, AE, AD. Base into height. Base will be DE, and this is this. So what will be? Now we have calculated the value. So AD is 5 centimeter. Hello to all. AD, this AD is 5 centimeter, no? This is 5 centimeter. And AE, this is 3 centimeter. We have already calculated these values, 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. A is 4? Okay, A is 4. Is this 4? So check it once again. So this is 4 centimeter. Now, so what will be DE? Can we apply Pythagoras? So under root 5 square 55, under root 25 minus 4 square 16. So this will be under root 9 will be 3. So DE is equal to 3 centimeter. And this is already given here, 3 centimeter. So half base BC, this BC is 15 centimeter. So this is 15 into AB is 20 minus half DE. Where is DE? DE is 3. And A is 4, and divided by 576. Now solve the given condition here. This is 150 minus 3 to this 3 to 6 divided by 576. So 150 minus 6 will be 144 divided by 576, and this is centimeter square and this is meter square. The big difference is one is in centimeter square and other is in meter square. We cannot cancel each other until and unless their units will be same. So we can make this centimeter square. So 576 into 100. So this will go 100 into 100 2 times. Why? Because meter square is there. Now this is centimeter square. So can we cancel here? So 154 will cancel this by 4 times. So this is K square. So K will be equal to 1 upon under root 4 into 100 into 100. 1 upon. So 1 by under root 4 will be 2, and this 100 root will be 10, and this 100 root will be 10. So this is equal to 1 upon 10 into, so I am writing here. So K will be equal to see this is k square. If I remove a square, the root will be there, na? So 1 by root 4 into 100 into 100. I think this is not visible to you all. Now this will be visible to you all. 4 into 100 into 100. So k will be equal to 1 by 4 will be 2 and 100 will come 10 and this is 10. So k is equal to what, my dear? 10, 20, 22. 1 by 200 is answer. Sir, I'm here. Sir, Haryana. yes, sure, bro. Aura. I don't aura of PK. I don't know your name, bro. Yeah. So this is k equals to 1 by 200, which is scale factor of the map. Moving to next question, question number 19. Yes. The student who have not liked the session yet, go and hit the like button. Hit the like button. The student who have not hit the like button yet, go and hit the like button, my dear champions. Okay, now question number 19. Question number 19. Question number 19. Okay. So this question is from construction. This question is from construction. Look at the question. So in such questions, my dear, you have to write the steps also. Steps matters a lot. Steps will give you the marks, my dear. Okay. Use ruler and compass for the ruler. You know ruler? This is called ruler, in which you insert a pencil and there is an iron needle. So by keeping the iron needle on the page, you can draw the arc and all. So that is ruler. And compass is there. Okay, ruler is scale, sorry, compass is there. Oh, that one, I was confused. For the following construction, construct a triangle ABC where AB is 6 centimeter and so look, my dear, so I cannot use the construction and all, but I can give you the steps here. So what you have to do, AB is 6 centimeter, AC is 4.5 centimeter and BAC is 120 degree. Construct a circle, circumscribing means the circle will be from outside the triangle ABC. Circumscribing means the circle from outside and the triangle will be inside the circle. And write down the length of the radius of the circle. What will be the length of the radius of the circle? Very good. So what we can do here, so AB is 6 centimeters, so draw AB first. Let's AB, this is draw AB, this is 6 centimeter, my dear. I'm giving the steps, but I don't have here a scale and all. So AB, draw AB, this is AB and this is of 6 centimeter. Right. Now, my dear, if you can see this is B and this is A, so C will be somewhere here because BAC is 120 degree. Just imagine if AB is this 6 centimeter and BAC is 120 degree. BAC is 120 degree. So BA, so C must have to be somewhere here. So that the angle will be 120 degree. So what you need to do, draw the angle. So keep the ruler here and by using the ruler, by compass here, needle and draw an arc here. So arc will draw arc here. So mark the first arc, this will be 60 degree and this will be your 120 degree. Now this BAC will be somewhere here, but AC should be equal to 4.5 centimeter. So now join this line. A, so this will be C here and AC will be of AC, this AC will be of 4.5 centimeter. So now you can match, you can join this B from C, so this will be your required triangle. So triangle is ready. Triangle is ready. Is it clear, everyone? The triangle is ready. The triangle is ready. AB is 6 centimeter, AC is 4.5 centimeter, right? And joining BC, triangle is ready. Now, how we can draw a circle which is circumscribing this? Circumscribing this, it means that the AB will be a chord and AC will be a chord. AB and AC, AB and AC both behaves as chord. So what you have to do, draw the perpendicular bisector. This was the draw the perpendicular bisector. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AB and AC. So what you need to do, keep your compass here and stretch, make the gapping between compass and pencil as beyond half of this line AB, and mark here arc, and here also arc, and again from here same, here arc, here arc. So this will be the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. So the perpendicular bisector of AC will be somewhere here. Yes, my dear, this is the beauty. So the perpendicular bisector of this will be AC, and this point will be having as the center of the circle. Now keep your compass here, needle, the iron needle of compass here, and keep your pencil here and draw the complete arc. Draw the complete arc. This will be your required circle. This will be your required circle, my dear. This will be your required circle, and this C is the center. Can you see this P? Because C is already the vertices of the triangle, so we can say this P. So this P will be the center, my dear. Let me use red color. Okay, this is the construction. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? So this is all about how we can draw the circle here, which is circumscribing the triangle ABC. Now we have to find out the radius. So if we join this point here, and if we join this point here, can you see, my dear, this is 4.5, this is 4.5, this is 6 centimeter, and this line here, this is the perpendicular bisector. So if this is 4.5, so this will be 4.5 by 2, half. So what will be this? This radius will be almost greater than the 4.5 centimeter, because AC is 4.5. Yes, who is this? Sorry, no thanks. Yes, what will be the radius of the circle here? Come on, my dear. The radius of circle will be approx, between 4.5 and 6. So almost the radius of the circle will be approx 5.2 centimeter. We can find out the value by using the mathematical calculation. This is R here, and this is chord. This is also 90 degree, and here is R also, because we are joining this. And if this is 6, this is 3 centimeter. So by using mathematical calculation, we can find out the radius, which is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Is it clear, everyone? Who is this? Abhi. Very good. Moving to next question, question number 20. This question is from matrices. Very easy question. Very easy. Can you see the question, my dear? Matrix A, matrix B, matrix C is given to you, and we have to find out A plus B, A plus C, first matrix, A plus C. So what we can do, matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4 plus matrix C is equal to -5, 1, 7, -4. So the result will be equal to 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5, this will be -4. 2 plus 1 will be 3. Each elements will be added up. This will be added with this. This will be added with this. This will be added with this. So this is 10 here, and this is -4 will be 0. So this is the first answer. Similarly, what will be the B? The B matrix is B into A plus C. Don't worry. B is what? This is B here. 2, 1, 4, 2, and A plus C, we have just determined A plus C. -4, 3, 10, 0. Now multiply the values here, because this B is in multiplication with this whole bracket. So row column, -4 into -8 plus 10 into 1 will be 10. 2 1 3 row column, so 3 2 6 plus 1 into 0 0, row column minus 4 minus 16 plus 10 2 20, row column, so 4 2 8 and 2 into 0 will be 0. So here the values are minus 8 plus 10 will be plus 2, 6 plus 0 will be 6, and 16 minus 16 plus 20 will be positive 4, and 8 plus 0 will be 8. This is the answer. This is the answer. Now question number C, 5 into B. Don't worry my dear, 5 into B. We are multiplying a scalar value from the matrix 2 1, and this is 4 2. Right, so when we multiply any scalar value from the matrix, so each element will be multiplied. So this will be 10, this will be 5, 5 4 20, and 5 2 10. This will be the answer. Now D option, D question, B into A plus C. Okay, so this is B into A plus C. We have already determined B into A plus C, minus 5B. Very good. So B into A plus C, we have already this matrix. Okay, so this is 2 6 4 8 minus 5B, and this is 5B minus, so this is 10 5 20 and 10. So what will be the result? Each and every element, as we have added the element, so in subtraction the elements will be subtracted. So 2 minus 10, 2 minus 10 will be minus 8, 6 minus 5 will be 1, 4 minus 20 will be minus 16, and 8 minus 10 will be minus 2. This is the answer. Minus 8, 1, minus 16 and minus 2. Hello everyone. Hi Vedant. Hello to all. Is it clear everyone? Minus 8, 1, minus 16 and minus 2. This is very easy question. Moving to next question, 20 now. Question number 21. Someone was asking in live chat section here, sir, I'm having problem in coordinate geometry. So my dear, this question is for you. This question is for you, my dear. The student who is having problem still in mystery. Hi mystery. Hello to all. Okay. Okay, now do this question. Question number 21. Question number 21. Look at the question number 21, my dear. So in the given graph, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, very good. Write down the coordinates of ABCD. What are the coordinates? So what will be the coordinate of A? Can you see coordinate A is here? And the x coordinate will be 3 and y coordinate is 3. So A coordinate will be 3, 3. Right. Who is this? Suraj. Hi Suraj. Hello. Very good. Guys, focus on question. Please focus on question. Okay. Now B is equal to what, my dear? B, if I talk about B, my dear, so B coordinate is on the y-axis, and if the coordinate is on the y-axis, the x coordinate will be 0, 0, minus 2. And D coordinate is x is minus 1 and this is 3. So this will be minus 1, 3. Now if I talk about C coordinate, so x is minus 4. Always write the x coordinate first, and this is minus 2. So these are the coordinates. A, B, C and D. I hope this is clear to all. Yes, Shishir, GP, I'll be coming on GP also, don't worry. Yes, Shishir, I'm here, don't worry. I have brought up, complete mathematics for you all, every question, don't worry. So these are the coordinates. So first part is solved. Write down the coordinates of A, B, C, D. This is clear. Now calculate the coordinates of P, the point of intersection of the diagonals AC and BD. Where are the diagonals? Can you see the diagonal? AC is the first diagonal and BD is the second diagonal. And this is the property of parallelogram. The diagonals of parallelogram intersects at the midpoint. It means this P point, the point P, this P point is the midpoint of AC and P is the midpoint of BD as both. And we don't know the coordinates, so we can write here x1, y1. We don't know the coordinate of P. So we can write that x1 comma y1. And I have already told you the point P is the midpoint of the diagonals. So you can apply midpoint formula whether on diagonal AC or diagonal BD, you can get the result. Nothing is challenging here. You can apply any method. Okay, so calculate the coordinates of point P. So I'm solving here B part. Okay, my dear, I'm solving B part here. Point P is the midpoint. Of diagonals AC and BD. So we can apply midpoint formula on any. So let's apply midpoint formula. Applying midpoint formula on AC. Let's apply midpoint formula on AC. Okay, so x1 will be what, my dear? X1 will be, minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 divided by 2, because we are applying midpoint formula. So x1 will be equal to minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. Similarly, y1 will be equal to the midpoint of this y coordinate, minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2. So y1 will be equal to minus 2 plus 3 will be 1 by 2. So the coordinate P will be, so P is what, my dear? Minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. This is the answer. Minus 1 by 2, yes. Is it clear, everyone? Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 will be the coordinate of point P. Is it clear to all? Hello everyone. Priyansh. Hi Priyanshi. Hello everyone. Pradeep, Arya, Divyanshu, Somi. Hello. Hi Priyanshi. Okay. Now B point is solved. Now come to C point. Find the slope of side BC and DA and verify that they represent parallel lines. So we have to find out slope, my dear. And there is very special formula to find out the slope. I hope you remember the formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the formula we can use to find out the slope. So we have to find out the slope for BC and DA. So let's say slope of BC. First find out BC. Slope of BC. So I'm writing here MBC, right? So it will be comfortable to identify. So BC, MBC. So where is BC, my dear? Where is BC? BC. So y2 minus y1. So let's say this is y2. This is x1, x2 and this is x2, y2. x1, y1 and x2, y2. So minus 2 divided by 0 minus minus 4. So can we solve this value? Minus 2 and this is minus will be plus 2 divided by 0 plus 4. So here we are getting 0. M is 0. Oh, M is 0. Now find out M of AD, because the question is AD here. So MDA. So y2 minus y1. So again we can, let's say this is x2 y2. So 3 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 1. So MDA will be equal to 3 minus 3 0, 3 plus 1 0 by 4 0. Oh, MBC is 0, MDA is 0. So MBC is equal to MDA, means both the slopes are equal. So BC is parallel to DA. We have proved BC is parallel to DA. Is it clear, everyone? BC. Hi Ayush. Hello to all, everyone. So BC is parallel to DA. Okay. Is it clear to all, everyone? Now moving to C part. C part, my dear. What is C part here? Part number C is find the equation of the diagonal AC. Where is diagonal AC? Okay, we have to find out equation of diagonal AC. So diagonal AC points are given, this point and this point is, so we can use point formula. Okay, so there is a formula y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 by using this formula. And you can consider this as x1 y1 and you can consider this as x2 y2. Okay, use this formula. So y minus y1 is minus 2 equals to y2 minus y1. So this is 3 minus this is minus 2 divided x2 3 minus x1 minus 4 x minus x1 minus 4. Right, so y minus plus 2 and this is 3 plus 2 divided by 3 plus 4 and this is x plus 4. So y plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 will be 5, 4 plus 3 will be 7, x plus 4. Now can we cross multiply? So 7y plus 14 is equal to 5x plus 20. So 7y is equal to 5x and this 20 will go there, so plus 6. This is the answer. 7y equals to 5x plus 6. Hello everyone. Is it clear everyone? So 7y, we can take one side everything, no problem. 5x minus 7y plus 6, you can write equation in this form also. 5x minus 7y plus 6 equals to 0. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Very important question and very interesting question. So this is coordinate geometry, but we are using the formula of line, equation of straight line also, point formula, slope of line and everything. So this question is just combination of coordinate geometry in a straight line. This question is the combination of straight line and coordinate geometry. Okay, moving to next question. Wow. Yes. Hello everyone. Yes, look at the question. Solve the following in equation. So in equation, this is linear inequality. Hello everyone. Divyanshu, I am from Bihar. Very good. Yes. Yes, who can solve this question comfortably? Yes, tell me, who can solve this question? So many students are watching the live class. Who can solve this question comfortably? So basically, what is this? Ayush, Fardeen, Anil, Swami. Hi everyone. Okay, look at the question. Solve the following inequations. Write the solution set and represent it on the real number line. And x belongs to real number. X belongs to real number. X belongs to real number. Okay. Okay. Easy question. So, here inequation is given to you, condition, and we have to find out the solution, and we have to represent the solution on number line. This is the question. On number line. Yes, on number line. So let's solve the question here. So basically, can you see here, this inequation is given to you. 2x minus 5 by 3 is less than 3x by 5 plus 10 is less than equal to 4x by 5 plus 11. So how we can find out the solution set and represent on number line? So find out the solution first. So take these pairs first. Take first pair this and the second pair this. After solving two pairs, we can get the solution. We can get the condition right here. So here 2x minus 5 by 3 is less than 3x by 5 plus 10. So if we consider this situation, let's say bring this 3x minus 5 this side. So 2x minus 3x by 5 less than minus 5 will go there. So this is 15. minus 5 plus 15. And can we take LCM here? So 5 2 are 10x, 10x minus 3x divided by 5 less than 15. So 10x minus 3x, 10x minus 3x will be 7x less than 5, this is 75. So x is less than equal to 75 divided by 7. Now if we divide 75 from 7, so 7 7 ja 49, 7 8 ja 56, 7 9 ja 63, and 7 10 ja basically. So what we can do, oh this is 7x, no? Yeah, exactly. So 5 2 ja 10x, 10x minus 3x, this is 7x, and this is 15, 5 ja this. So what we can do here? Yes, what we can do here, tell me my dear. And this is minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 3 here. This is minus 5 by 3. So where is this? Minus 5 by 3. We have ignored minus 5 by 3, my dear. We have ignored minus 5 by 3. So that is the reason why we are not getting appropriate solution. Can you see here, my dear? Yes, one silly mistake. So 3x by 5 will come here. 2x is already there. 2x is already there. So 2x minus 3x by 5, and this minus 5 by 3 will go there. Yes, my dear, minus 5 by, so it will become positive. Yes, so this is 7x by 5 less than, can we take LCM? So 3 will go there, 30, 35 by 3, 35 by 3. 7 will cancel this, 7 5 ja, right? So x is less than, 5 will go there, 25 by 3. And 25 by 3 means if we find out the value in decimal, so 25 by 3 will be 8 point something, right? So 3 will divide 25. So 3 8 are 24, 1.0, 3 3 are 9. Yes, 8.3. So x is less than 8.3. This is the first condition we got. S is less than 8.3. My dear, this is 8.3. Now taking the second pair, if we take these two pair, so 3x divided by 5 plus 10 is less than or equal to 4x by 5 plus 11. Now take the x family one side and numeric value other side. So we can take this one, that side, or we can take also this. So 11 will go there, 10 minus 11 less than 4x by 5 minus 3x by 5. I hope this is clear, everyone. 11 has gone there, and this 3x by 5 I'm bringing this value there, this side. So 3x by 5 this side. So 4x minus 5 is already there, minus 3x by 5. So 10 minus 11 will be minus 1, minus 1 less than equal to, can we take LCM here? So 3x minus 6 divided by, so this will be x by 5. 5 will go there, minus 1 greater than equal. So x is greater than equal to minus 5. X is greater than equal to minus 5. So we are having two conditions. We are having here two conditions, minus 5 greater than equal. So we are having this condition and we are having this condition. Here x is smaller than 8.3, and sir, okay, PK, sure bro, sure, super awesome, very good student. So x is less than 8.3, and here x is greater than equal to minus 5. So what will be the number line? So draw the number line. So we can take a minus, this is minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now look at the result. X is less than 8.3. X is less than 8.3. So this is 5, 6. Let's stretch this line in this way. I need some more values. So I have to take the space, complete space here. So let's draw the straight line, number line for this. So I'm using this space, okay, here. So this will be the number line. So here middle value will be 0, I know this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and here this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Is it clear, everyone? Hello to all. Yes, Rashi, Vedant, Anju. Hello, everyone. Hello to all, everyone. So see, the two conditions are there. So x is greater than equal to -5. So we can write here the final solution, final inequation. Final inequation. What is the final inequation, my dear? The final inequation is x is greater than equal to -5. Greater than equal to -5, but less than 8.3. This is the final condition. So can't we show this condition on number line? Yes, we can. X is smaller than 8.3. So 8.3 will come here somehow. Let me use red color. Let me use red color, my dear. Red color. So 8.3 will be some here. And this is -5, greater than equal to. So we have to take here dot, closed dot, because x is equal to -5. So this -5 will be considered. And from here to 8.3, and this will be open. This I'm taking this dot as closed. Why? Because we are considering -5. X is equal to -5. So this is -5 here, and this is -8, 8 point something, and x is in between -5 and -8. X is in between -5 and 8.3. So this will be the number line. Is it clear, everyone? Tell me, my dear, is it clear, everyone? Tell me, everyone, is it clear to everyone? So this is the way how we can show the given linear inequation on the number line, and this is the equation, by the way. Okay, so after getting the final result, we can show on number line. Yes, everyone, is it clear? Give me thumbs up if you all are confident now and everything is clear. Give me thumbs up, my dear. Yes, sir, now this is clear. Moving to question number 23. Yes, question number 23. Ankit Yadav, Ayush, Mangesh, hi, Rashi, Divyanshu, everyone. Okay. Hi, Vinay. Hi, Rahul Official. Okay, now look at the question. This question is from AP, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, my dear. Yes, who can solve this question? I will. Vinay Singh, I will. Very good, Vinay. Okay, let's solve the question here. Okay, so the first term of an AP is 5. Very good. So A is given to you here. The first term is 5. So A is 5. And the last term is 50. Okay. The last term is 50. Okay. And their sum is, okay, the sum of n terms. We don't know how many terms are there. The sum of n terms is 440. So these informations are given to you, only 3 informations. First term is given to you, last term is given to you, and sum of n terms. How many terms are there? We are not sure. But n terms, sum of n terms is given to you. And look at the question number 1. What the number of terms? It means we have to find out here n. And common difference, it means we have to find out here d. So can't we use this formula for A? Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. Yes, my dear. This formula. Why I am using this formula? Because last term is given here. So Sn is 440 divided by n by 2. We don't know n. And A, yes, we know A, which is 5. And yes, we know L, which is 50. Okay, so 2 will go there, and don't send 2 there. just keep here as it is, because this will cancel. 50 plus, oh no, it cannot be cancelled, so 2 will go there. So 880 is equal to n into 55. So n is equal to 880 divided by 55. So can we cancel this? So if we divide, yeah, we can divide this by 80, and this is by 5 11 ja and 80 11 ja. 80 11 ja will be 818, 5 11 ja 55, and this will cancel 16 5 ja. So n is 16 here. So the total number of terms is 16. Is it clear to all? The total number of terms will be 16. Okay, now moving to second question. Common difference. What will be common difference? So we can use the formula. L is given to you. So L is basically A plus N minus 1 into D. L is 50. So we can use here 50. A is given to you 5. N minus 1. N we have calculated here 16. And 16 minus 1 will be 15 into D. So 5 will go there. 45 divided by 15, which is equal to D. So can we cancel 3 5 ja, and what we are doing, 15 directly will cancel 45 na. So 15 directly will cancel this by 3 times. So basically D is equal to 3. Answer. Yes, everyone. So D is equal to 3. D is equal to 3. D is equal to 3. Is it clear to all? Okay, moving to next question, trigonometry. Wow, look at the question, trigonometry. Proof type question, the question which troubles you a lot. And some students also love this question, such questions. Okay, so yes, solve this question, trigonometry, my dear champions. Very easy question. So a very complex trigonometric function is given here, but let me tell you, the solution will be very easy. If you know the formula a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube, this is the identity, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. This identity will be used here. A cube plus b cube will be equal to a plus b under bracket a square plus b square minus ab. Now apply that value, and cot and tan always cancelled in sine, always transformed in the form of sine and cos whenever such question comes up in front of you. So let me yellow color. So cot a can be written as cos a divided by sine a, and this tan a can be written as sine a divided by cos a minus 1 divided by, this is sine cube plus cos cube. So my dear, a cube plus b cube will be equal to what, my dear? A plus b sine a plus cos a, and in the next bracket a square plus b square minus ab. Minus ab means sine a into cos a, and here is also sine a plus cos a. I am solving LHS, my dear, right? I am doing operation of LHS. So can you see sine a plus cos a will be cancelled here? Sine a plus cos a will be cancelled. Now can we take LCM here in this bracket? So if we take the LCM, my dear, so the LCM will be sine a cos a, and this cos will go there, so this will become cos square a. This sine will go there, sine square a, minus, here is 1, so this whole LCM will go there, sine a into cos a, right? And this here, the numerator is sine square a plus cos square a minus sin a cos a divided by 1. Now you can see sin square a plus cos square a minus sin a cos a. So this will cancel with this. Yes, both the families are same. This family and this family is same. So what we are getting here? We are getting here 1 divided by sin a into cos a. And we all know 1 by sin a is cosec a and 1 by cos a is sec a. So we can write here sec a into 1 by sin a will be cosec a. Hence proved. Nothing is here. Hello all everyone. Hello to all ICSE champions. Tomorrow is your exam, your maths exam. So stay focused, stay serious my dear. You don't have so much of time now. Okay, so this is the answer, sec a plus into cosec a, I hope. So just based on this identity, this question has been solved, this identity. So in trigonometry, sometime algebraic identity also works my dear. So very important, very important. Okay, moving to next question, question number 25. Okay, using properties of proportion, find the value of x. Okay, so using properties of proportion, so we can apply here componendo and dividendo. That is the property of proportion. Yes, who is this? Hi, official Mehak, Ayush. Yes, everyone. Componendo and dividendo, you can solve this question. Hi to all. Yes, solve this question. I want to see answer from you all. So, using properties of proportion, find the value of x. We can apply here componendo and dividendo, if you know the componendo and dividendo. You know guys, componendo and dividendo, everyone? Componendo and dividendo, guys. Componendo and dividendo. Okay, so that is the property of proportion. No? So using componendo and dividendo, we can solve this question. So I hope you know componendo, dividendo. Basically this is the componendo. If a by b is equal to c by d, so we can write this as a plus b, a minus b, c plus d, c minus d. This is called componendo and dividendo, simple. So here also now we can consider this as, if we consider this as this as a and this as b and this as c and this as d. Now apply componendo and dividendo. So the first, this will be a plus b, so this plus this, 6x square plus 3x minus 5 plus 3x minus 5 divided by a plus b divided by a minus b, 6 square x square plus 3x minus 5 minus 3x and minus plus 5 will be there. Same apply here. So this is 9x square plus 2x plus 5 plus this whole family divided by 9x square plus 2x plus 5 minus this whole family, minus 2x and minus 5. Now check whether what happening here. So 6x square, this is minus, this minus 5 will be plus 5. Okay, we are adding, so no. So this is 6x square, 3x will be 6x and minus 5 will be minus 10 divided by this 3x will be cancelled, this 3x and plus 5 will be cancelled with minus 5. So divided by 6x square is equal to, here anything cancelling, nothing. So 9x square plus 2x will be 4x and 5 plus 5 will be 10 divided by 2x is cancelling with this 2x plus minus 5. So we are getting here 9x square. Now can we cross multiply? Yes, we can cross multiply. So if we cross multiply here, so what will be the result? So we can take common here also, otherwise we don't require. So 9 into 6 will be 54x square 54x and 90x square. This is 9x square into this. So 9x square into 6x square will be, so this is x to power 4 will be there, no? X to power 4. Okay, so this is x to power 4, and this is x into x will be x cube, and this is 90x square equal to 9 into 6 will be 54 x to power 4 plus 6x square into 4 will be 24x cube. 6x square into 4x, 24x cube, and 10 into 6 will be 60x square. Now can we solve this? So this will be cancelled here, and this will come here. So 54 is already there, and this 24 will come here. So this will be equal to 30x cube. 90x square will go there. 90 and 6 will be 150. 150x square. Right. So this x square will cancel x cube by x. So we are getting here 30x equal to 150. And 0 will cancel 0. So x is equal to 5. I hope you are getting my point. 3 will go there. X equals to 5. This is the answer. Yes, anyone, any problem? Componendo and dividendo. X is equal to 5. Just applying componendo and dividendo. And this is the property of proportion. This is the property of proportion, my dear. Property of proportion. So property of proportion is also this. Componendo and dividendo. Is it clear to all? Moving to next question, question number 26. Question number 26. It is given that x minus 2 is a factor of polynomial this. Find the value of k. Very good. Very easy question. If, my dear, I am solving first a part. If x minus 2 is the factor of this, it means this will satisfy this. It should be satisfying. So x minus 2 equals to 0. So x we are getting as 2. Now put this value x here. So px is equal to 2x cube minus 7x square plus kx minus 2. So p, if we put p here, so this will be 0, and 2 into minus 7 into. Why I am writing this as 0? Because we are putting x equals to 2, and if this is the factor, so this value should satisfy the given polynomial. This value should satisfy the given polynomial. So the result must be 0. So 2 cube minus k2 and minus 2. Now 0 is equal to 2 cube will be 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 7, 28, and k2, 2k minus 2. Now can we solve here? So this is 16 and this is 28 minus 2 will be minus 30. So 2k minus 30 plus 16 equals to 0. So 2k minus 14. 2k minus 14 will be 0. So k is equal to 7. This is say k equals to 7. Yes, everyone, is it clear to all? K will be equal to 7. And if once you get the value of k, then we have to find out, factorize the resulting polynomial completely. So put this k equals to 7 in this equation. So the resulting equation, resulting polynomial, what will be the resulting polynomial? Resulting polynomial. This polynomial is px. So resulting polynomial will be 2x cube minus 7x square plus 7x. Why 7x? Because k is equal to 7. 7x minus 2. So dear, if x minus 2 is the factor of this polynomial, it means x minus 2 can divide this polynomial. So 2x cube minus 7x square plus 7x minus 2. So we can write here 2x because this is already x, so we can write here 2x square. So it will be 2x cube and 2 to the 4 minus 4x square. Can we subtract? So this will cancel. Minus 7x square plus 4x square. So this will be minus 3x square plus 7x. Now if the first term is in negative form, so always take the negative value here. So minus 3x. So this will be minus 3x square, and minus minus plus will be there. Plus 3 to just 6x. Minus minus plus cancel, and plus 7x minus 6x will be only x, and this is minus 2. This is also minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2. So we can write plus 1. So x minus 2, this cancels, so 0 is there. So my dear champion, this polynomial is equal to this into this, because the remainder is 0. So we can write 2x cube minus 7x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to what? The remainder is 0. It implies that this polynomial is equal to the product of this and this, x minus 2, and this is quadratic polynomial, 2x square minus 3x plus 1. This is the quadratic polynomial. Can you see? This is the quadratic polynomial. So we can solve the quadratic polynomial. So x minus 2 and 2x square, we can solve, apply middle term splitting method. So I have splitted 3x can be written as minus 2x minus 1, right? So x minus 2, can we take here 2x common? Yes, from this 2x common. So if we take 2x common, this is x minus 1, and here minus 1 common, this is x minus 1, right? This is x minus 1. So x minus 2 and 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. These are the factors. Factorize. So this is the factorize. X minus 2, 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. This is the factorize. Yes, is it clear to all, everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Very important question, interesting question, I can say simply. Yes, is it clear to all, everyone? So this is the solution. These are the factors. X minus 2, 2x minus 1, x minus 1. Moving to the next question. Question number 27. A solid wooden capsule is shown in figure. The capsule is formed of a cylindrical block and two hemispheres. Find the sum of the total surface area of three parts as shown in figure 2 given the radius. Okay, so we have to find out the total surface area of figure 2. It means of this total surface area. So total surface area of cylinder is what, my dear? The total surface area of cylinder will be what? TSA 2 pi r plus h, right? And the total surface area of this total surface area of this will be 3 pi r square, because this is hemisphere, and again total surface area of this hemisphere will be 3 pi r square. So what will be the total surface area of the figure 2? The total surface area of figure 2. So total surface area of figure 2 will be what, my dear? Total surface area of cylinder plus 2 into, because both the hemisphere are equal in dimension. Both the hemisphere are equal in shape, equal in dimension. So we can write 2 into total surface area of hemisphere. Right. So total surface of cylinder will be what? 2 pi r plus h, plus total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi r square. So this is 2 pi r plus h, and this is 3 to the 6 pi r square. What we can take common here? I think we can take common 2 pi r. 2 pi r we can take common. So this will become r plus h plus here 3r. 3 to the 6 pi, yeah. So this is the value here. This is the radius is equal. Radius of cylinder is 3.5 centimeter, 3.5. So I'm taking r same. Right now we can put the values here. 2 into pi is 22 by 7, and the radius is what? 3.5, and 3.5 can be written as 35 by 10 into r plus h. So 3.5 h cylinder, the height of cylinder is 14 centimeter. 14 plus 3 into 3.5. Now these are the values. Solve these values. So 7 will cancel this 5. 5 will cancel this 2, 2 cancel. So 22 into this 14 into 3.5 will be 17.5 plus 3.5 into 3. 5 3 are 15, carry 1, 3 3 are 9 and 10. So this is 10.5. So 22 into 17.5 and 10.5. 17.5 and 10 to 10.5. I think this is 112 and this is 550, carry 1, 7 8 9 2 and this is 112. 22 into 29 centimeter square is the answer. Can we multiply 29 into 22? 92, 58, 8, 638. So 638 centimeter square is the answer. 638 centimeter square is the answer. Yes, my dear champion, this is the answer. Yeah, tell me, everything is clear? Is it clear, everyone? R plus H. Is it okay now? This is clear? Oh, 28 will come here. This is 28, my dear. 17.5 into 10.5. What will be the value? 17.5 into 10.5. This is 17.5. 17.5. What's happening here? 17.5 and 10.5. What will be the result here? Add the values. So 17.5 and this is 28, I think. Can you add the values, my dear? So 550 and 78, 28. So 28 will be the result. 28. So 28 into 16 will be what? Can we multiply the result, my dear? Just tell me what will be the answer. 28 into 22. 28 into 22. So this is 56 and this is 56. 6, 11, yes, 616. 616 centimeter square. Because this is the addition of 17.5, 20, this is 28 basically. Yes. Yes, my dear champion, tell me everything is clear? All ICSE students, everything is clear. And you can also make the solution shorter. 3R plus R is equal to 4R, na? So instead of writing again R and 3R separately, you can add both the results. 3R plus R will be 4R. So instead of making the solution complex, we can follow the simple method. Yes. Moving to next question, question number 28. Wow. Question number 28. Interesting question, reflection. This question is of reflection. Reflection on coordinate geometry. Okay, so look at the question. So use a graph paper. My dear champion, let me tell you one very important thing. Shinu Churasia, hi sir, set 3 was so tough. Yeah, something very, unexpected and uncertain happened with you. But, in set 3 as well, the question I did in the live classes, root 2 plus root 3 prove irrational number, that has come in your board exam. If you saw that question. Yeah, it happens. Don't worry, my dear. Okay. So, look at the question. So, use a graph paper for this question taking 2 centimeter 1 unit along both axes. Plot A, B, C. Okay, so 3 points are there. So, my dear, this question is, I'm giving you the solution here, but always make sure to solve such question on graph paper. So, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So, plot A, 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. Okay. So this is y-axis. And we have to take 2 centimeter. 1 unit as 2 centimeter. 1 unit as 2 centimeter. So 2 into 2 into 4 we can take. Okay. Yes, sir, some questions. Yes, Shinu, very good, Shinu. Yes. Very good. So I hope you did that question comfortably, I think. And were you remembering me in your examination hall when you saw that question? Tell me, Shinu. Or not? Yeah. Or very honest. Not to be very honest. Yes, sir. Thank you, Shinu. Stay blessed. My blessings is with you. Okay. Okay, so look at the question. These are the points. Okay, -1. Let me show the coordinate. -1, -2, -3, -4. And this is again here. -1, -2, -4. Now, show the points. Plot A, which is 1, 3, 1, 3, 1 x and y. This is 1, 3. And this is point A, which is 1, 3. Okay. Now B 1, 2. X is 1 and y is 2. 1, 2. Again, this will be here. 1, 2. And this is point B. Point B. Now C 3, 0. 3, x is 3, y is 0. So somehow here. This is C. 3, 0. Now first part is done. This is the first part. Now reflect A and B on the x-axis and name their image as E and D respectively. Okay, reflect of A and B on x-axis. So what will be reflect of A and B? So my dear, this is x-axis. Consider this x-axis as a mirror. Consider x-axis as a mirror, plain mirror. Hello sir, hi Bittu. Hello Bittu, hi everyone. Okay, so x-axis is mirror. So what will be the reflection of A? The question is asking to find out reflect A and B. So A will come here. This point will come here. Same distance. So if this is mirror, so this distance will same here. This. So this will be the point here. Reflection of this is -3. Reflection of A will be. Let's say this is what. E point. So point E will be what, my dear? The point E, this is E point. And this will be what, my dear? This will be 1, -3. 1, -3. Because X, we are finding the reflection of A along X-axis. So this will be the reflection. Now D is a reflection of B. So where is B? So B is here and reflection of B here will be. This will be the reflection of B. This. Right, so this is -2. So this will be here, we can say this is D, which is equal to 1 -2. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, so is it clear everyone? The reflection will be D will be 1, -2 and the E will be 1, -3, right? So C part, I am doing question number B. So B question, reflection of A, which is D, which is reflection of A is E. So this is equal to E is equal to what, my dear? 1, -3. 1, -3. And similarly reflection of B, and which is D, and the coordinate D is equal to 1, -2. Now come to question number C. C is reflect A and B through the origin. Okay, my dear, through the origin and name their image F and G. Oh my God, reflects A and B. This is A and B through origin and name F and G. Can you find out, my dear, the reflection of A and B what? Through origin. So what will be the result? Yes, my dear everyone. What will be reflection of AB through origin? It means the diagonal coordinate will change. The diagonal coordinates, first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate and fourth coordinate. Quadrant, you all know quadrant. You can say quadrant as well. Yes. through origin. It means, my dear, if the A and B is in first quadrant, so according to origin, the A and B coordinate will come here, my dear. This will come here. So this is the origin. This is called origin. So if this coordinate is here, so the reflection will come here according to origin. You can keep mirror here. This you can keep mirror here. This is, let's say, this is the mirror, my dear. So the origin will be the origin. This is the mirror. Let's say this is mirror. Mirror at origin. Mirror at origin. So the reflection of A will be here. So 1,3 will be equal to this. Here, this, this will be the reflection. So the reflection of A will be, just write down the coordinate. No problem, champions. No problem, bro. Yes, what will be reflection of A? -1, -3. Yes. Yeah, superb. Yes. So 1,3 is there. So -1, -3. -1, -3. So the reflection of this will be the reflection here. So let's this line is making the diagram very complex. I think it should be removed. Let's remove this, the dotted line. Let's remove this. So C will be, so this is -1, -3, -1, -3. I hope you are getting my point. Is it clear, everyone? Who is this? Captain Tony is there. Aha, Captain, I am not identifying you, by the way. Your name is changed. Your name is changed. Yes. Tell me, my dear, tell me what will be the reflection of A and B through origin. A and B. Yes, -1, -3. Now, yeah, this is 1, so the coordinate will change. So -1, -3. So the coordinate will be, let's, what happened? Yeah, so this is 0, 0, 0. So -1, -3. So -1, -3. This here minus comma here. Yes, this. And reflect A and B through origin and name F. So this is F, my dear. F is -1, -3. And what is the reflect of B? This is G, origin. So this is 1, 2. So -1, -2. So this will be the coordinate here. This is G, -1, -2. Okay. Now, so C is done. So we can write here. Reflection. This is along x-axis. This, the first is along x-axis. And now we are writing reflection of A, but we are writing along origin. Along origin. So reflection of A is basically, A is F and F coordinate will be -1, -3. And reflection of B, which is G, by the way, G, and the coordinate of G will be -1, -2. Now come to question number D. Question number D. Reflect ABC on the y-axis, ABC on the y-axis, and name them J. So J will be equal to J. I can directly write instead of wasting the time in over. So J is the reflection of A, but along y-axis. So A is here, and along y-axis this will be the coordinate. This is J. So the coordinate J will be equal to what? This positive A -1. minus 1 comma 3. And reflection of B, which is called I, along y-axis. So B is 1 comma 2, so this will be I minus 1 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 2, right? Minus 1 comma 2. And H is the reflection of C. Where is C? C. This is C. So the reflection of along y-axis, so this will be the reflection. This will be the reflection. And this will be minus 3 comma 0, and which is H. This is H. This is done. Okay, so J is equal to minus 1 comma 3, I is equal to minus 1 comma 2, and H is equal to minus 3 comma 0. These are the reflections. Now join all the points A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and tell which closed figure is so formed. What type of closed figure so formed? So connect this, 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 and connect this. Oh my God! Can you see, my dear? This is A point, this is B point, this is C point, here is D, here is E, this is F, this is G, H, I, and J, and this we are getting here octagon. One side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is here 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 8. Octagon. We are not joining this, na? This is octagon. Yes. Is it clear to everyone? Hi Rashi. Hi Vedant. The figure will be, if we join all, what will be the diagram? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, decagon will be there. So E will be, I think, yeah, E will be decagon. How many sides? Total sides. How many sides? You know, AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, GH, HI, IJ, JA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 sides, it means this is decagon. Decagon will be there. So I hope this question is done. ICSE, hello ICSE champions, are you ready? So this is reflection type question, very important, and this question is completely based on reflection in coordinate geometry. And reflection, I hope this is clear to all. Yes, should I move ahead to the next question? Okay, moving to next question, question number 29. Hello to all. Question number 29. Can you solve this question, my dear? Read the question first. So in the given diagram, AB is a vertical tower 100 meter away. So okay, 100 meter away from the foot of a 30-storied building. Oh my God. So CD is a building basically. This is the building CD. And the angle of elevation, AB is a vertical tower. The angle of elevation of depression from the point C, okay, from point C, which is the top of the building. Okay. E being the midpoint of CD. Okay, E is the midpoint. Very good. 35 degree and 45 degree respectively. Oh my God, this question carries 5 marks. Use mathematical table for the required values rounded off correct to 2 places of decimals only. Okay, we have to find out the answers in 2 decimal places. So find the height of the tower. Look, my dear. So if this is 35 degree, so this will also be 35 degree. So we are having first right angle triangle here. Can you see the right angle triangle, my dear? Yes. Can you see the red triangle? The first right angle triangle. Can you see, my dear? The first right angle triangle is here. This is the first right angle triangle. So if this is the first right angle triangle, we can apply here trigonometry, because if this is 100 meter, so this will also be 100 meter. So after applying trigonometry, tan 35 degree, the 35 degree will be given to you. Don't worry, we can find out this CD, CP will be there, right? CP will be there, and we have one more right angle triangle. Let me use another color so I can show you the one more right angle triangle. So this is 14 degree, my dear, and if this is 14 degree, so this will also be 14 degree, and if this is 14 degree, we have one more right angle triangle. Can you see the triangle APE? Can you see the triangle APE? So we can apply here trigonometry. 10-14 degree will be there, don't worry. Here is 90 degree. So if we apply trigonometry 10-35 and 10-14 degree in both the triangles, red triangle and blue triangle, in first triangle we will get CEP, in this second triangle we will get CEP, and once we get CP and EP, we can get CE, and CE is equal to ED. So from ED, if we subtract this value, we can get this AB. So here I'm not going to solve this question anymore, very easy question. Guys, go and solve this question by your own. So apply 10-35 degree. 10-35 degree will be equal to what? CP, perpendicular divided by base AP, and apply what, my dear? 10-14 degree. 10-14 will be perpendicular will be EP, and base will be again AP. And the most important thing, AP is given to you, which is equal to 100 meter. So by applying formula, we can get CP and EP, and yes, AB will be there. I hope you guys can solve this question. There is nothing challenging, very easy question. Moving to next question. Use a graph paper for this question. Yes, my dear, for this question, graph paper is mandatory. Very important graph paper. Okay, take 2 centimeter 10 marks on x-axis and 2 centimeter equals to 10 student on y-axis. Hello, my dear, please focus on question, everyone. Very important question I'm doing. Yes, sir. Hi, Akansha. Hello, Akansha. Hi, Tanmay. Hi, Prakash. Plichi. Very good. Yeah, tell me, who can solve this question? So this question will be strictly you have to do on graph paper only, because this is important. We have to find out the mode according to the graphical representation. No formula will be used. So graphical representation is very important here in this question. Okay, everyone? So let's solve the question. How we can do? So 2 centimeter, the scale is given to you guys. Hello, sir. Hi, HRK. Hi, everyone. Hello, sir. The student who is new here, let me tell you one very important thing. If you are ICSE students and you are going to write your maths exam tomorrow, so very good news for you. In description, I have given you the PDF of questions, very important question for your exam, tomorrow's exam. So you guys need to go there in description, hit the link, and you can get the PDF of the questions, my dear. Very powerful question, and kindly make sure to solve the question before writing your exam tomorrow. Very important questions are there. Okay, so let's solve the question. So let's draw the graph first. Let's draw the graph. Line is not straight. I want straight line here. Yeah. No, not yet. Okay. So this is x-axis and y-axis. And this is y-axis. Okay. So draw a histogram. You know the histogram? The graph in which, you know, strips, pillars are joined with each other. Okay. Hi, everyone. Okay. So how many students are there? 164 students. Okay. Yeah, so the information is take 2 centimeter 10 marks along x-axis. So on x-axis I'm taking marks. On x-axis I'm taking marks here, and on y-axis I'm taking number of students. Yeah, number of students. Number of students. So the first marks is starting from 30 to 40. So we can slightly like this here, 0, 1, 2, 3 is there. So we use zigzag representation that represents 0 to 29 numbers will be there, because we want pillars from 30. So we can start from 30. So this is 30 and each 2 centimeters is 10 marks. So 30, this will be 40, 50, 60, 70, which is the highest. Okay, 80. This is the highest value. On y-axis 10 students are there. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, now the first is 30 to 40. How many students? 10 students are there. So 30 to 40. This is. Now 40 to 50, 26 students are there. So 40 to 26, it means this will be something 20 and 30, so slightly here. So kindly make sure that the width of each and every pillar should be equal, because we are taking same differences 30, 40, 50, 60. So width should be same. Hi everyone, who is this? Okay, now 50 to 60, 40 students are there. So 40 here, this is this is 50 to 60. Now 60 to 70, 54. So 54 something just above to 50. So see, I'm making the pillars, these pillars equal to this first width. That's why it is a bit slightly shifting forward. So that is the reason why. Sumit, hi Sumit. Okay, now 70 to 80, 70 to 80, 34. So 70 to 80. So can we shift 80 a bit more towards, this is, let's draw first. 70 to 40 is 34. So 34 will be, you know, in between 30 to 40 slightly thing. Here. This is okay. So this is all about histogram. This is called histogram. Now following distribution, draw histogram for the following. So histogram is done. So 1 marks is clear and gives the marks obtained by 164 students. Very good, in a particular class, and hence find the mode. Find the mode. Now to find the mode, find out modal class first. Find out modal class first. Modal class first. And you know, my dear, modal class is what, my dear? The class having highest frequency. The class having highest frequency is called modal class. So which will be the highest frequency modal class? Which pillar is highest? The pillar which is highest is called modal class. Now how to find median, how to find mode? So what to do, my dear? Join the corners from the neighboring pillars, these corners. Yes, my dear, join the corner from the neighboring, means this corner will be joined with this corner and this corner will be joined. Now take the value on x-axis, because we want to find out x value. So when we draw this graph, you draw the histogram on graph paper, you can get the exact value. You can get the exact value, perfect value. So this is something here. This is something here. It means, you know, you can see, my dear, this is 60 and 70. So this is in between, the between line, that is 64 almost. 65 will be the exact middle value, but this point is not exact middle value. So almost 64 is there. So mode is equal to almost 64, we can say. Yes, everyone, is it clear? Very interesting. Very interesting question. Agree or not? Yes. Who is this? Who is this champion? Is it clear to all? So the line perpendicular drawn x-axis, the intersection point drawn on the x-axis will give you the mode. So this will be the mode. This point will be your mode. Very important question. Very important for ICSE student for tomorrow exam. Very important question. Yes. Is it clear all, everyone? Champions, is it clear to all? Okay, moving to next question. This is very easy equation. So I'm giving you few questions for your homework, my dear, and try these questions. Just 5 to 6 questions I'm giving you. Thank you so much. All the very best. Stay blessed, everyone. Okay, and I'm giving you 5 questions as your homework here. 5 to 6 questions as your homework. Please try all these questions, and yes, my dear, you all can solve this question. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay blessed, and thank you so much for being here from the beginning till here. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. Let's meet in new session. Okay, and all the very best for your exam, all the ICSE students. And I have solved so many quality questions that those are very, very relatable for your board exam tomorrow. And yes, my blessings is with you. You all are champion. You all have potential. And yes, go and just show your potential. You all can do wonder. Thank you so much for being here. Stay blessed.